All right, let's make it. Hey, how's it going? Hey, quick fix, how's it going there? Hey, how's it going there, Mark? Hey guys, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Today we're going to be doing the binary video part. And today with FreeBuff, well, we haven't set it up yet, though I suppose we could. We have downloaded it. Let me take a look here. Let's do, so I know we have it installed. FreeBuff, there you go. All right, it's running. Oh, I have to log in. That's right, I forgot about this. Let's see here. 1 second. Let me do this real quick. Looks good. Okay, I'm signing in. We're doing it right now. We're signing in. 1 second. All right, I'm validating it. All looks good. Successful. Return to your terminal, please. Waiting for login. Okay. Not authenticated. Well, that's not a good thing. Your time's valuable. Use it to focus on your app and others handles it. Try it for free. Okay. I did. I thought authenticated. I did. See, look. It says successful. Logged in. Return to your terminal. All right. I don't know why the stuff you keep recommending doesn't work. Hey, the Fort's good to see ya. What's up? Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Hey, do you remember me? I'm Mark. Well, yeah, Mark. Yeah, Mark McKinley. Hold on 1 second. Whoop, oh, whoa. The user. Uh-oh. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. I clicked the wrong button. Uh-oh. Whoops. Are you still there, Mark? Unhide user. Okay. Sorry about that. Whoops. Mark, can you type back? Let's see. Sorry about that. Oh, good. It came in. It came in. Okay, good. All right about that. You have 3 dogs and 16 cats? Whoa. Hey, Cat Master. Fog. All right. Sorry, I clicked the wrong button. So I clicked it. I accidentally clicked hide user. All right. I'll get it for 1 second here. I'm gonna click the button here. All right. Hey, Mark. It's good to see you. Yeah, you were here yesterday. Let me see here. If you were here elsewhere. All right. Yeah, you were here yesterday. Yeah. All right. Sorry about that, Mark. I didn't mean to do it. I clicked the wrong button. Okay. I see all 6 models. All right. Good. Okay. See all 6. All right. Look at that right there. All right. Looks like we're good. Smartest and fastest. Let's do this. Okay. Good to go. Try it for free now. What is it? What's, let's see here. All right. Yes. All right. Sounds so good. Escape. What is, hold on. I'm going to try it again. Use Kimi KT 2.7. Okay. Why is it so slow? Is it because it's free? Progress is slow right now. It looks like it. Yeah. Hey, this is, are you vibe coding this? Hey, Duke Kodum, how's it going? I just pulled it open. FreeBuff is already running, take over. Okay. I've never used this before, and it's very slow. Hey, Alex, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. What are we doing here? I don't count that as working. I count this as complete failure. It's totally not working. Hey, how's it going there, Naru? Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, so we're doing regular coding. We're doing ordinary coding by hand. There we go. All right, so let's see here. We need to do the binary side of the video today. It's slow today? Okay, yeah. So I'm just not, yeah, it won't, if it's not working, we can't use it. You got a keyboard? You just got me a keyboard and mouse. Hey, Mark. All right, good to hear it. Normally it's fast, good to hear. Hey, Chandra, welcome on in. Yo, what's up? Good to have you here. Mark Lemon, happy Saturday. Good to have you guys here. Wow, everyone is here. It's Saturday, you guys. It's Saturday. We're going to do some coding. All right, let's do some binary video. Just close all sessions. That's what I did. Here we go. What is this directory? Let's see if this does anything. All right. I forgot it was Saturday. Yeah, it is, Mark. It's Saturday. If a game of mine goes success in Roblox, I will make a non-Roblox version of it with more updates and a cleaner movement. All right. Good to hear. I count that as not working. See, this is why it's free, I guess, right? Because I'm used to like the really fast version where it just goes whoop, done, instant. Okay. So let's get our binary video. So in order to do that, we need to do some upload, right? We got to do some upload file. How do we do this here? All right. How do we do this? I know we had some stuff here the other day. Upload file. All right. This is what we need right here. Okay. So we need to do an upload video. We need to do this right here. All right. So this is today's plan right here. Do you in fact have TikTok? Yes, I do, Catmaster. I do. And I stopped posting on it for a long time, though I just started reposting on it this week. So Quick Fix did convince me to install FreeBuff, and it is not that good. I can tell you, it's not that good. They can be free because there's ads. Oh, got it. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, this is slow. It's slow. Oh, it's actually doing stuff. Okay. All right, good to know. What's the user of it? I don't know. 3 hours of coding. Hey, how's it going there, Min? Good to see ya. All right, yes, we're gonna do some coding. You got it. Premium means you have 5 sessions. Okay, got it. Are you Christian? Mark, I don't identify one way or the other. I'll be right back. All right, sounds good. All right, so let's take care of the binary, you guys. Let's do this. Let's take care of the binary part of the video. And I think we could also include a curl that does this for us automatically. We should have a test video. We should do a test video, right? So I need to find a test video to include as a part of our data. mkdir data video. And then we'll test the video there. Although that's the data dir, right? So mkdir test. All right, we can do that right there. Hack my camera so you can see my... All right. Hey, Aggressively. How's it going there? Aggressively, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. How much time will it take to code it? Well, if we coded it all the way, it would take a couple of weeks. We're not going to spend that much time on it. We're only going to spend about one moment. Should I study Java? Oh, man, I don't recommend Java. If you're going to study something, I recommend Python, Golang, probably Python, maybe some JavaScript. There you go. Do these Python, JavaScript, maybe Golang. If you need to use the JVM, which you should not ever have to, use Kotlin or Scala. I recommend that. Kotlin or Scala. Big brothers. Hey, how's it going there? Teborkio. What do you do first? The UI or the API? Oh, the API by far. Yeah, I always do the API first. The API is the first one. There's no way. Hey, no way. How's it going? Good to see ya. So what's the stack? All right, stack's pretty straightforward. Check this out. Let's see here. We're going to do. Let me see if I got. There's a lot of stuff here. Let's just type it all out so you can see it. All right. So our stack is Python, fast API with UV corn, UVI corn. There you go. And Docker, Postgresql, and what else? Hey, the skill builder. Hey, what about C#, Unc? Oh, you could do some C# in there. C# fine. And that counts as Unc. It does. It sure does. You got it. Java's for losers. Hey, Duke Kodum. Hey, Ruchit, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. All right. So that's the stack, you guys. Pretty straightforward, right? Oh, Bear. Hey, thank you for the gold coin. Appreciate it. My gratitudes to you. Has a good day. Start off with a good day. The only thing on your mind is GitHub AI it is. GitHub AI is trash. Okay. Think for the party poppers, you guys. So these are good languages that I would say are good for the industry. Python, JavaScript, of course. You might be like TypeScript here. A little TypeScript. A good test would make an upload endpoint, and you can test the stream endpoint with the VLC. Ooh, VLC. Hey, loons. All right. The only thing, I think we're on the right track there. Hey, user 1948, good to see you. Happy Saturday. Hey, I found your TikTok. Hey, you did. All right, Catmaster. Good to hear it. Yeah, we just started posting again on TikTok. Yeah, this week. Starting a new milestone in your series. Oh, hey, all right. Some whole Pokemon series complete now. Season 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Episode 20 done. Second is Python earning a startup chapter. All right. So those two are usually like the totally different scenarios, right? One is animation for fun, and then the next is probably also Python for fun, but they're like completely different genres. Hey, Squirrel Sniper from across the pond. Good to see you. Number 08. You're number 8. All right. Good to have you here. You just want to know, Cat Master? You figured it out. You figured it out. That has good clipboard function free buff. Okay, got it. Let's see if it finished. Let's see. It kind of finished. It took a long time, though. It took a long time to figure that out. So we're probably not going to use free buff. I can tell you that. We're probably not going to use free buff because it just takes too long. It's slow. It's so slow. First for the entertainment, second for the Python, for fun and learning. All right, good to hear it. Excellent, you guys. All right, so let me close all this here. All right, so let's see. All right, stack. I'll leave this here for future reference. Stack. There we go. CK. All right. Now, what else? So this is the plan for today. Let's see if we can get our upload running, yeah? So we want to get this part working right here. You didn't add the text to speech for the channel points. Oh, I got to do that. I need to figure out how to do that, Loons. Let's see. I've never done this before. We'll have to add it. We will. We'll have to add it. I know. We'll add it. Don't you worry. We will. We'll add it in at some point. I promise. Yo, Bear for the flower. Appreciate it. My gratitudes to you. Thank you very much. That's a really nice. Thank you for Saturday. Wow. Hey, that's a nice gift for Saturday. Thank you. Catmaster, modern coders are using AI or they're new and novices. Yeah, I think everyone's using AI now to be fair. Here we go. Get the next song going here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Perfect. All right, perfect. Here we go. Okay. So this is what we want to do today. We want to do these things here. We want to upload the. Do we need this file? Do we need this? Well, we get technically we only if you want to add it now. So let's do upload file. So let's grab this. Oh wait, this is. Oh okay. We need. Okay, 1 second. Next, grab this, and we're probably. I want to do local file. You agree? Not gonna lie. I know, right? It is. It's the modern approach. It is. Use codecs. Try free buff another time. Sounds good. Sounds good. Quick fix. We will. They said bye because I have to go to the water park. Oh, all right. Mark, sounds like a fun adventure. Enjoy the water park. How do I code a game on a phone? There is codec. I think you could do codecs on your phone, right? Codecs mobile app, maybe? Maybe. Using AI as a rug pull. Wait, I know. Don't worry. We'll only use it for a smidgen of the things. 10x the price of the suckers. Oh, effectively slaving for the AI companies. I see. Wait till they do the 10x on the prices. Using Termux? Oh, you can do Termux. Okay. Termux. Nice. Good idea. Pubnub storage bucket and database coming soon. Oh, Derek. Hey, that sounds great. Pubnub storage bucket. We could do files on Pubnub. That would also be a good idea. We could do that too. App can connect on your PV or PC. PC, got it. All right, let's grab this. We're gonna bring this in here. I don't need. Do we need that? What are we doing? That app? Oh, we don't need that. All right, close, delete those. We're not gonna deal with this. You know what? Just in case I change my mind, I'm going to leave this for a later time. Here we go. We'll do this. And then I think we should do, here we go. All right. We're going to grab the upload. We only want the upload part of this. We don't need these things, just this. Okay. That's all we're going to do there. All right. Files on Pubnub for the project. We could, Derek. We absolutely could. That's actually a really good idea. That would make it a lot easier too. It would. That would feel like, here's what I want to do first. I want to try to use the Fast API framework to upload a file directly, and then I should be able to serve the file, all on the same system. And then we could probably use like the Python SDK to do a file upload. I think that's actually a really good idea. I like your thinking. All right, so let's add that to our to-do list here. So step 1 for the file upload, we're gonna do, here we go. We will do, where's this at? Where's our to-do Saturday? Okay, Binary video, we'll do self-hosting files, and then the next we'll do pubnub files for the hosting. I think that'll be a good idea. There we go. Perfect. Because then we don't have to set up any infrastructure. It'll be way easier. Why is StreamCord in general? Oh yeah, so StreamCord recently got reactivated. It used to be down. Remember, there was like a long downtime where they were banned from YouTube for a while, and then it suddenly came back. Downloading codecs, nice. You're gonna try it? All right, sounds good. It was in new videos. Yeah. So new. That was the new videos here. Yep. You got it. Free buff has 1 hour limit for premium models. Oh, okay. And Kimmy just finished after 15 minutes, so 8 minutes remaining. Hey, all right. Loons, I see what you're doing there. All right, the premium options. All right, so let me see here. Alex, ARM Cortex A53. What do you mean, Squirrel Sniper? Are you talking about some processors or something? Here we go. I'm gonna close this because it's there we go. Close that. All right, good. Hey Gabby, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. You have 5 sessions and always free unlimited sessions? Okay, good to know. Let me see here. Where are we leaving off? All right, so we got our plan for today. Let's go ahead and start cleaning this up here. We don't need any of these things. We want to do this. Here we go. And this is not going to be called upload. So let's call this. You know what? What I really want to do is do file all in one. So we've got to insert. Oh, this is the video. Right. Okay. So if this is the video, then how do we pass in the data from the controller to the model? Do we want to do that? Let me think about that for a second. Because this is not the, let's see here. What do you call it? This is not the main controller. So right here, when we do a post, I want to include the, what do you call it? The file. Upload file. There we go. And that has to be over here on this side of the picture. So let's delete that. Bring this back over here. There we go. Okay. What is PubNub? Oh, good question. All right. So multiplayer game. Ooh, Gabby. All right. Good to hear it. Android football app. Nice. All right. So, good question. All right. So PubNub, let's take a look here. So thank you for joining on in. My name is Stephen Blum, CTO co-founder at PubNub with Todd Green is my co-founder. We raised 134 million. We're at Series E, 1 billion devices on my network, like your mobile phones, right? 1 billion devices. 68 patent claims granted. You can see it on my LinkedIn here. It's all on my LinkedIn. And for PubNub, we're I call us like a communication API, right? So you can add multiplayer game experiences, gaming. You could do sports updates. My favorite is also gaming, right? And then healthcare, telemedicine, e-commerce with live auction bids updates, fintech where you're seeing stock prices go up and down, the Bitcoin prices going up and down, right? Chat and things like that. Good question, you guys. PubNub UI is cool. Oh, excellent. The last attack. Good to hear. Thank you. You have to say, well, to give the credit to our marketing team. And you've probably used our technology before if you've used any of these companies here on the screen. So you've seen, if you ordered food or, bought tickets or, watched any sporting events, you probably have used our tech. What about robotics? Oh yeah, Internet of Things. That's a good one. I like that one. So let's take a look at that one. We've got, where is it? IoT device control. Yes. So you can see different device control capabilities that we offer, which includes robotics. Spain or Argentina? I don't know. This. You're talking about sports now, aren't you? You're talking about sports. Is there an Easter egg when you click on the big orb? The big orb. Where's the... Oh, and free buff is what you're saying. Okay. I have not tried it. What is it? And what are you explaining? Oh, hey. Chadre, on your website. Oh, got it. Okay, on the website. So on Loons 404, we are talking about building a YouTube app here. We're building a YouTube app, and mostly it's just a video hosting app is what we're doing. We're keeping it simple. We're going to do lightweight. We're going to do video hosting, and then see how far we get coding by hand. And then we'll do like a session where we vibe code the rest of it because we only have this much time. Only this much time. All right, I want to click the orb on Loon's website really quick. Click. Hey, they did, yep. It clicked. Seeking optimal conversion from capping to code. All right. Oh, do we have a, how does this work? How do you play? Did I do it right? Is it? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, this is snake. It's a snake game. It's a snake game, you guys. Thanks for explaining. Absolutely. Absolutely. Which service do you use for hosting data? To hold data? Right now, we are using just our own code, though we'll probably be using PubNub. We'll probably be using PubNub. All right, we're done with that. It's Snake. Yeah, we did it. We played Snake for a few seconds. Okay, let's see here. All right. So what we need to do is we need to grab the binary data from the file. I would love it if we can merge all of the data into one giant upload. If we don't, then it's okay because we could just do it differently. Although I think it would be really nice if we threw everything all together as one and we included a file upload and the metadata at the same time, which you can do. You can do that. Can you look at the effects on the card at the bottom? Here we go. All right. I'm at the bottom now. Okay. The effects, like the hovering effects. Is this it? Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? It is very pretty. All I have to tell you is it's very nice. I do like the gradients. I do. Yo, hey, thank you for the eagle. Yo, I didn't know you could do that. That's the first time I've seen that. Whoa, thank you very much. Vignesh, thank you. My gratitudes to you. What are you doing over there? Appreciate it. Wow. Your cursor acts like a flashlight. Yeah, it kind of does. Yeah. It's very pretty and also disorienting. It's disorienting and I want to run away. I'm like, no, I don't want it. Can I use PubNub? Is this project good? Yes, absolutely. PubNub is free. You're free to use forever. And then if you scale up, then you could pay for a enterprise account. Though it's free. There's a free forever tier. pubnub.com. Here we go. Clicking the buttons, you click pricing, and there's a free forever plan. Free forever. Right there. Thank you again, Vignesh, for the eagle. Hello from Unitree. Yo, from Unitree. Hey, welcome on back. Vignesh, thank you for subscribing as well. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building a YouTube video app, basically a video streaming app. And is it free? It's free. It's free. Like as in real estate. It's free real estate. What you do, an observer. Yeah, we're building a YouTube video streaming app today and maybe a little bit more tomorrow. We'll see. We're doing the video part of it today. So let's see if we can make it. Hey, Bungie, how's it going over there? I want to code, but I'm real okay. Should I learn the basics? Yes, I recommend. Here, let's take a quick look at the recommendations for you. I recommend, where is this? Did I put this in? I must have deleted it. I recommend Python. If you do this right here, I think it's a good option. 6-7, how's it going there? 6, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Personally, I want to stay on my website and play with the cursor. And you want the voidiness of it? Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, Loons. It's pretty good. Hey, Bonzupi, good to see you. Happy Saturday. And Erdem, yo, Cardinal, good to see you as well. Thanks very much. I thank you a ton. Oh, a ton. Oh, absolutely. Excellent. Good to hear it. Just popping in for a minute. Sounds good, Bonzupi. Good to have you here. Even if for a few minutes. All right, this is so good. This is so good, you guys. All right, so we're building YouTube app. We're adding the upload part of it right now. What file are we currently in here? Let me see here. Do I want this? We need to change this out here. We need to change how this is working. All right, so this, We should probably have a separate up. Yes. Okay. I see what we're doing now. I see. All right. So I'm just getting back into it now. Let's go to our controller file. And then where is our post video? All right. So here's our post video. And this will be your upload. So we need to do an upload we need to do an upload here. Let's see, which is going to save the data. It'll save the data. That's what we're going to do. Wait, what app is this? Oh, Bungie. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about my terminal window? So this is Ghosty plus Tmux plus Vim. That's what we're doing right there. As a beginner, I'll be able to study how to create apps in about 3 years. Oh, excellent. Good to hear it. Nice. The app you're making. Okay, the app I'm making. We're just building a simple YouTube sort of video streaming app. We've got a big plan. We had a lot of ambitions. And the good news is, hey, how's it going there, Delvin? Good to see it. Thanks for clicking the hi button. So we're building the video upload part of it right now. So there's a get and post. So we've got the post here. And then we've got the insert. And then we need a videos.upload. Here we go. We need to do this part right here. This part right here. Or maybe save video, I don't know. I'm going to say upload. That's fine. Because we get the upload file here, maybe. And then we're going to grab that. And I don't know if that's possible. Let me see over here. What does this say? File upload. Okay. Let's see. We're going to try it out. One day I dream of making a game. Oh, Bungie! You should do it. You should start right now. Don't say one day. Start today. Make it ad-free. Yeah, please make it ad-free. I like the ad-free, but much better. Because whenever I play a game and then it gets to ads, then it like degrades my, what do you call it? The sparkle. It degrades the sparkle of the game. I feel like it took all of my ambitions and desires away to keep playing. Don't let your dreams Don't let your dreams be dreams. I like that. Hey, Grant. Oh, all right, Grant. Good to see you. Can we use PubNub for the project? Yes, we will. So the plan is here. You know what we should do? I think what we could do. So let's see. First things first, we need to get the file. We need to get the file going. So let's see if we can upload the file. All right, so can we do a curl with a file? The only thing is, I think we might need a separate endpoint for that. I think we need a separate. Hey, Bungie, thank you for subscribing. All right. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're building YouTube today, and we're going to be doing more AI in the future. We got more AI happening. We've got more I don't know, other kinds of big data things. I want to learn. I've never learned Haskell all the way through. I think it'd be fun to learn Haskell. We'll do Malbogle. If you heard of Malbogle, it is a programming language that is not meant for humans. You're not supposed to use it. We'll try it out for a couple of streams. We'll see what it's like. We'll see if we can make something that can like print some characters or something like that. I think that'll be a really good option. Turns out you can install Vim and Termux. Oh, no way, Alex, really? Whoa, that's amazing. You would need a keyboard. I think you need a keyboard, like a Bluetooth keyboard or something. Your laptop, you have to videos and that teaches coding. Oh, Bungie. Okay, understood. I agree about the gameplay quality going down if you have the ads. I do, yep. You have it on your phone? Nice, all right. Hey, AVBY Edit. How's it going over there? What encoders are you going to use? H.264 with B-frames disabled. Ooh, my streaming app. For your streaming app, you've got H.264 with B-frames disabled. That seems like a good option. So we've got ffmpeg on the system. So we'll be using ffmpeg, and I don't know. No for keyboard, though? Okay. I think if you're going to be doing Vim on your phone, right? If you're going to do Vim on your phone in Termux, I think a keyboard would go a long way. If you're going to be doing that. Wouldn't need a keyboard to help you out there. All right. Yo, dude. Hey, Abby. Yesterday, I lost your stream. Oh, no. Searched so much you couldn't find you. Hey, you subbed now. All right, Abby. Welcome on back. All right. Good to hear it. Glad to have you here. All right, you guys. Let's keep going. Do you have a name for the app already? Well, yes. Some people want to call it BlumTube. Here. Potential name. If you've got other name ideas, if you got other names ideas. Yo, Loons, thank you for whoa, you're the first subscriber. Hey, Loons, I bet you didn't know this, but you're the first one over there on Twitch that's ever done that. You hit a new milestone for me. Check that out. Whoa, I'm going to brag to my friend about this now because we both watch Twitch a lot. We watch a lot of Twitch. Sir, what's happening today? Abby, we're continuing building a YouTube app here. We're building a YouTube app, and then we are going to see if we can make video file. We're going to try to do the video part of it today, which is the more challenging part. Loons, that's so cool. Here we go. Thank you, Loons. Appreciate it. Finally, my bank was refusing to accept the payment. Nice. Wow, Loons, that's great. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Grant, look, man, you can either step up a 10x your career, build a Phoenix humanoid robot with us, or you can sit on the sidelines and watch us absolutely dominate the future. Grant, that sounds like a lot of fun, to be honest. It does. It sounds so cool. I want to build robots, and I want to make them dancing robots. Hey, Seuss, thank you for the GG. All right, my favorite. Let's go, Abby. Yeah. My friend Larry. Hey, that was my grandpa's name. Will literally SSH into his home server from his phone because he's coding a smoker patio at a nightclub. That's some talent right there. Hey, Ford Crown Vic, how's it going? Hello. I'm watching your stream in virtual reality. No way. Are you in like a Vive? Are you in a MetaQuest? Are you in one of those Apple things? What's your headset? All right. Let's see if we can make this happen, you guys. Let's see if we can make this happen. I'm really excited about this. All right. Let's close this. This is our upload over here. We're going to need a file. Let's see. File. F-I-L-E. Here we go. And we're going to call this... We're probably going to call this an upload file, right? We don't really need to. We don't need to put this here, but we'll do it anyway. We'll do this anyway. Let's see here. Open up another direct. There we go. Hey, Seuss, another GG. Appreciate it. All right. Thank you very much. You and Larry have done several open source projects together. Nice. And a gold coin. All right. Thank you very much, Seuss. S3 or S3 seconds? Oh, 3 seconds. What is 3? Hey, Ford Crown Vic. I don't even know what that is. I've never heard of that one. Seuss, thank you. My gratitude to you. Good to have you here. And another gold coin. What? Hey. All right. Thank you very much, Jesus, and for the hearts, you guys. Wow, you're so nice to me. All right, where are we at here? Let's get back into the main file. Thank you very much, Jesus. Okay, so let's bring this in here. We're gonna get our imports ready and happy. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can do the upload. I think it's gonna be easier if we do 2. Although you still need the parameters, right? You need the parameters. Can we do a file? All right, let's see. This is something I'm not familiar with. Let's see here. Google. Open up Google. Here we go. Here we go. Say this. All right. I've never done this before. I don't know. This is a multi-part upload. Okay. File is file. Metadata, annotated, string. Is that what I want to do? No, I want it different. File size, file content type. All right. So let's see if we can make this work here. Hey, how's it going? The Black Elephant. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. You're going to have a splendid day, Bungie. All right. Good to hear it. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the day. All right. All right. So I think we're going to have a good Saturday too here. So I know we can do that part. That part's fine. The thing is, I would like it if I could just grab JSON. All right. Just JSON post body with video. I don't want to use an annotation. I don't want to do that. Let's see, video class, payload, video JSON request. Okay, class base file name, metadata, video base 64 string, the video encoded as basic. No, I don't want to do that. Not base 64. I don't want to do that. Hey, Hyper Hiker, how's it going? Thanks for saying hi. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Hey, Snot, how's it going? Can you write me a program to change my engine mounts for me? That sounds like that would be a pretty good challenge right there. You're going for a pretty good challenge. right there, raw video. Okay, so I see what we're gonna have to do. We are gonna have to do it the other way, that I didn't want to have to do it this way. I didn't want to, but we're gonna have to do it anyway, which is fine. It's fine. It's fine. I think so. How are we gonna do this? We need header data, right? We need to capture data in the headers. So we will need to set a header. So that'll be the way to do it. You set the header of the video ID, and you get the container ID from the output from the video upload. I think that sounds like a good plan. We did it. Hey, not an average guy. Thanks for saying hi. Oh, Rockin' Brain. Hey, how's it going over there? Happy Saturday. Hello, Rustations and Pythonists. How y'all doing? We're doing great. We are doing great, you guys. All right. So I've got an idea on how to do this. It's not my perfect approach, but you know. So what we'll do here is we'll grab this and we'll get the ID. We need the ID. All right. So return. We need the ID. Video ID equals. And then insert, here we're gonna return, we wanna return the ID. We don't need to return the execution. We're just gonna return the ID. Here we go. Return the video ID. We're gonna grab this here. A little bit of updates there. Make it pretty and snazzy looking. So we got the video ID, and then we're gonna also respond with the video, how about we'll just say ID. We'll do like that, right? Video ID. Perfect. Okay. So we probably don't need those. We probably just need the video ID. I think that's just good. I think that's a good plan right there. All right there. Yo, hey, Loons, you just made a clip. That's the first clip ever on Twitch. It is. Hey, Loons, you're making milestones today. Thank you. Loons, my world is changing. Today is a milestone day. Okay, so we should add validation probably. We could do that later. All right, so let's see here. Now we got our video. So this will be the video container, right? So step 1, video container returns video ID. And then you use the video ID to upload, right? So you can do upload. So there'll be an upload endpoint here. Here we go. Let's do an upload endpoint. Pass, upload video. And this will be upload, I think. All right, so upload video. I think, yeah, we want to call it video. There we go. Okay, so then we require the ID to be in a header. So how do we grab the headers? Do you guys know? Cal and me already have made clips. Whoa, not the third. All right, good to hear it. That is crazy. That is crazy. Loons, you made my day. Thank you. You made my day, Loons. All right, so where do we go from here? I need the header. Yay! Here we go. Metadata on the header. Okay. This is exactly what I need as the header right here. So header ... Do I really need to say ... Do I really? All right. I don't know about that. Let's see. How do we grab the header? Breaky first, tidy later. Yes. You do not. So you got the right idea. When you're, oh, hey, Yusuf. Hey, Yusuf, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building a YouTube app. That's what we're doing. We're building YouTube. I like your idea about breaky. So the idea is build, don't optimize. Just build first, do not optimize. All right, so where's our file at? So I'm going to say file. Here we go. There we go. And this will be file API. What is not fetch here? File. Do we have it? Where's this at? No, it's around here. Upload is what we want to call upload. Okay. There we go. All right, so now we've got our upload, and this will require us to also fetch the header. So let's see. Google Fast API get headers. Okay. Let's see if we can do this. Hey, Samuel, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Let's grab some headers, you guys. Is this how we do it? User agent, annotated string. Nah, that seems really insane. I want to do something really simple. Oh, we can just get the request. This is way better. Ooh. All right. I'd much rather have that. Let's get the request. And then let's see. I also want to get, so that would be the request. And then I suppose we could just grab the file there. So let's do this pattern. Let's do this pattern plus Duani. Hey, Duani, thank you for subscribing. You joined our channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. We're currently building a YouTube app today, and we're going to be doing so many fun things in the future. I'm really excited. We have streams every day. The idea is that we're going to learn some new stuff. We're doing AI. We're going to learn new languages. And like, for example, Haskell, we could do some more Erlang. Like, let's go to hard stuff, right? I want to learn burn candle, the Rust candle library. So we did burn previously. We've done burn on the stream, and it was ridiculous. It's like you're writing so much abstraction just to get the boilerplate of the beginning of the algorithms for your AI. It's ridiculous. And there's a lot better options. There's so many. Hey, how's it going there, Rocks? Good to see you. Hi, welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Good to have you here. Yo, Joshua. I always wanted to create a YouTube app. Hey, now we're doing it. Yep, we're doing it here. So let's see if we can make this happen. YouTube with request plus file, upload file. Upload file. This is the example that we're trying to get into here real quick. All right, so request up. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's all we got to do. All right, I was kind of curious about that. So we say request, request, like that, right? Request. Yes, okay. And we need to import request. So let's do that here. Import request. Okay, got a request there. Here we go. And I'm going to do some pretty indenting here, so that way it looks a little bit easier to read. All right, so we got to upload, and then let's make sure that we can still run our test here. Test.sh. There we go. All right, still working. Good to hear. And did it? Okay, hold on one second. By my test. Let's see if we can get our test working differently. Where'd that at for the test? Here it is. Okay, so list videos. I want to upload a video. We'll call it beep boop. Beep boop. All right, close that. Test. rm-dir test. Okay. Test. There we go. There we go. What's up? Hey, how's it going there, Rohit? Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Good to have you here. We're doing our video upload segment here. Let's see here. .sh. Thank you. Okay. So this returns our container ID. So that means that we can grab that as a container ID, pull that in, and then upload a file. So we can upload a file. All right, gotta go. Sounds good. Bonzupi, good to have you here. We're gonna keep on coding. We're gonna keep on coding, you guys. So we go to grab our upload file. We've got a request in our upload file. And then I need to capture it as a header. Although, wouldn't it be nice, instead of grabbing the request, we could just get a query parameter called ID. Can we do that? Yay, Beep Boop is replacing Hello World. Yeah. It's because of you, Loons. It's because of you. Do you watch the clip? I didn't. Let's watch it real quick. All right, I'm going to watch it. Hold on, I click on it. It's fine. Well, I think, so how are we going to do? Okay, that was the clip. All right. Hey, you got to start somewhere. You got to start somewhere, you know? I appreciate it. That's like, that is record right there. Using Python Fast API, Rohit, you got it. Jeremy US, nice. Yeah. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. It's neat. It's like, it's a milestone. It's a milestone for sure. All right. All right. Here we go. Okay. So let's see here. I would like this, instead of request, to get the header. Wouldn't it be nice if we did it as a query parameter, right? How do we do that? All right, so Google Fast API get query param by name. See if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that over here. Yo, hey, Samuel for the trophy. Hey, whoa, the soccer trophy. Whoa, look at that. It's all animated and sparkly and pretty. That is great. Hey, my gratitudes to you, Samuel. Thank you very much. Oh, I appreciate it. And you also subscribe too. Hey, fantastic. You joined the right channel for software engineering. That's what we're doing today. We're going to be building all the day long. all the day long. All right, so username string. Oh, so all we have to do is just type the name of it, and it will automatically grab it and understand what to do. Let's see if we can make it work, you guys. Let's see if we can make it work. Thank you very much, Samuel. Appreciate it. We've got a lot of fun things that we're going to do on this channel. A lot of coding by hand, manual coding. I know it's the old approach, right? Legacy at this point. We're in the punch cards now. This is what you see on the screen. This is punch cards. This is all punch cards. Oh my goodness. We got good news though. We got good news because we got so many fun things that we can do here. Lots of fun things. All right, let's get the next song going here. 1 second. I'm going to pull up this. There we go. All right. Hell yeah. All right. One Punch Man. Yo! I've seen your anime. I've seen it. I've seen your anime. You found it funny how you were perplexed? Oh, you got it. Loons, thank you for the clip. Thank you for the clip. Good to have you guys here. Again, Samuel, thank you for the soccer trophy. That was a really, really nice. That was really, really nice. Let's see. Let's do ID. This will be an ID string. We'll say string. ID string. Let's try it. So that'll be the query param. So we're looking for like a / upload question mark ID equals and then a bunch of numbers, right? A bunch of numbers. This is what we're looking for. Something like that. Something like that. There we go. That's what we're looking for. That's $7 here in soccer trophy. That's a very good soccer trophy. That's a good soccer trophy. Yeah. Loons. Wow. Movie. All right. Sounds good, Rocks. Enjoy your weekend. All right, let me see here. Let's keep going. So I'd love to be able to see return. Let's just return data. I want to return the ID, and we'll just say ID. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna say success is a true value. There we go. True. Okay. Let's see if that works. Let's see if this part works. Did the calculation, Loons? Thank you for doing the calculations. That is a... I was wondering about it. Bro, I said this is pre-recorded. Oh, you thought this was pre-recorded? Oh, yeah. Is it because of the subtitles, maybe? I don't know. One Punch Man. Yeah, we're live right now. We're live. I would... So one of my, like, kind of, like, I guess, fantasies, you could say, is that I've increased the production quality so high from these streams that it looks like a movie. And it's like, wait, there's no way. And there'll be like multiple camera angles and like things are happening. Wouldn't that be fun? Like that's one of my, I think that would just be fun. I'll do that maybe in the future. Maybe in the future I'll do that. So I'll get like 3 cameras or something. And then we can like have angle changes and things like that. That'd be fun. Hey, Mr. Fabry. Mr. Fabry, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hey, Quick Fix. Welcome on back. All right, let's see here. I want to get my upload working. Let me see here. So we say curl. We need to post -d. Oh, wait. We need to upload a file. So in order to get this to work, we need to upload an actual file. Google curl example upload file. All right. I think this is like really easy. There's like a really simple flag for this. Curl blah, blah, blah. Okay. Your file? Is this it? -f? Okay. So that would be the trick right there. Curl -f. -f, yep. And you can do multiple files. Ooh, look at that! We're gonna do just the one. We're just gonna do just one. One file. What's your progress? We're still getting the file upload working. That's what. It's gonna take us a while. It's gonna take us a while. One Punch Man, thank you. One Punch Man for saying hi again. Adam, hey, hi all. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Good to have you here. All right, so we're gonna do curl -f. And then I also need to grab a video file. So let me do that real quick. Here we go. Let me open this. Okay, let's grab a video file. We'll just do one of our... Okay, no, that's right. That's right. Okay, here we go. We'll do one of our videos so that way we don't get any danger zones here. We'll grab a small one. Is this one pretty small? Maybe, let's see here. This one's pretty small. All right, we'll do this one. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, look how clean that is. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, that'll be the one that we do. We'll just grab that one there. This will be here. All right, let me pull this in. Let me pull this in. So this is our YouTube app. Here we go. And then I'm just going to paste that in there. Please. Oh, darn it. Okay. Which one was that? That was this 11 megabyte one. Here we go. Copy. All right. Let me get YouTube app, paste. All right, perfect. All right, so we call this video.mp4. All right, so we got our video MP4 in the file. Anime, hey, how's it going, Anime? Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. New York poll software works again. Ooh, nice. All right, good to hear it. Fun fact, my website does so many calculations and changes when you move. When I open my dev tools in the it'll lag. Yeah, that sounds like a lot of JavaScript changing. So yes, it's better to do CSS only versus JS animations. CSS only is way better. Hey Rohit, are you using ergonomic keyboard? I'm using an ordinary keyboard. It is just a Mac keyboard with the number keypad right there. I use the number keypad, I do. I used to use the number keypad a lot because I did data entry many years ago. Like probably like over 20, a lot of years ago. How's it going there, Cheese Colonel? Cheese Colonel, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. You like low profile, but you don't like Apple? It's understandable, yeah. I like it because it's just so easy to, like, it's wieldable. I can wield it. All right, so you got a question there. What do you got? Why are you only streaming on the TikTok format? Oh, you mean like the vertical? No, I am actually streaming also on the horizontal format here. If you're interested, we are on Twitch as well. We are on Twitch with the horizontal format. So you get the full screen. If you want to do that over on Twitch. On Twitch is better. Yeah, if you want the full like big desktop view, which is, I mean, yeah. And you get other chat messages, things like that. Okay, so let's see here. Let me grab over here. So we just do a -f, right? So curl -f, and then we pass in, thank you for the reactions, you guys. And then we say file equals. Okay. File1 equals. And then we pass in the value that is going to be One Punch Man? One Punch Man? Yeah, One Punch Man, you guys. Good anime. Thank you for the hundreds, you guys. All right, so where was this is video.mp4, right? And then we do HTTP colon for 0000 colon 8000 / upload load question mark ID equals, and then we got an ID here. We got a container here. Grab this container ID, paste it in. There we go. And I'm going to put this in quote marks just in case. Small quotes. You want small quotes, you guys. Small quotes are the answer. There we go. All right. We got an error, but it returned field required input. Okay. So this, we can fix this. Git add, 1 second, git status. Yeah, we'll keep the video there. That's not a problem. What you do for a living? Anime. Good question. All right. Since you asked. Also, hey, Rutique, now you're on the right format for streaming. Hey, all right. My name is Stephen Blum. Thank you for joining our channel today. We are live streaming coding by hand, which is my favorite way because that's the way I've been doing it for over 25 years in tech, you guys. I am a co-founder and CTO at PubNub. My co-founder is Todd Green. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on Twitch. All right. You did it. We raised a lot of money. We're at Series E. We've been doing this for over a decade now. We've got 1 billion devices on my network. We do in-app communication. So things that allow your multiplayer user experiences, ordering and delivery, right? This is what we do. We do order, demand, delivery. We've got a globally distributed infrastructure across all of Amazon's data centers, and we provide all sorts of communication. Hey, Bungie, you're back. All right. Welcome on back. So this is my company, and we provide like telemedicine. If you talk to your doctor on your phone with an app, we power the communication that enables that. If you see the live stock quote ticks updates and up and down, right? The price go up, the price go down. Those are update signals that come from my technology. If you do chat, like you're chatting with me right now, I can see your chat message. That's also like my technology. Do you have any recommendations for enterprise or general advice? Entrepreneurs. Yes. If you're going to be building some new software, check this out. I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is a thing. If you're going to be building new software, you have 2 weeks to build. You cannot build any more than that. If you do, you're going to be building things that are likely going to be thrown away, or you're going to pivot. Because when you build the MVP, you need to get user feedback immediately for the minimum viable, the most important core of the business. 2 weeks. If you go more, you're failing. You're wasting time, you're wasting money, you're losing opportunity. That's the number one. Number two, you want to spend a lot of time outreaching and doing more, what do you call promotion? You want to spend a lot of time promoting. Spend 90% of your time promotion. I know that sounds like a lot, but that is the core of business today. It's the core of business. Ren Ocean, hello, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Supply chain procurement. Really admire what software engineers do. Oh yeah, Samuel. It's a lot of effort. Yeah. Is there a way to have rate limiting on PubNub directly? Yes. Yes. Yes, we support it. Custom rate limits per API key if you desire. You could. Yep, and I can set it up for you. I can set it up. Yo, how's it going there? IP, welcome on in. Search One Punch Man edit. Okay. One Punch. Here, I got an idea. Google One Punch Man edit. All right, there you go. There's a lot. There's a lot of stuff. Stamina Hero. There's a lot of things. I don't want to play these though because I might get copyright challenges. So I'll be careful. I'll be careful about it. I'll be careful. So you got a request, implement the chat feature, or is this a tool that I set up on my own? You implement, it's an implement chat feature. So we've got a developer section. There's Java here, for example, JavaScript rather, and you type in this code to connect. You connect to the global network, and then you add a listener to receive data, and then you can send data with a publish, right? All easy, straightforward, simple. I'll show you guys real quick. I'll show you. Since you guys are asking how it kind of works. So let's go to the docs here, and I'm going to go to a tour. Let's go to the tour, and then we will say next, and then we say publish. Okay, so you see how this kind of works. This side over here, pretend it's a phone or another device. It's subscribed to my channel. It's subscribed to my channel. What you can name your channel whatever you want. And then you can send data to my channel. You can say like, hello, exclamation point, right? Hello. And then you send publish to send the message. Now, the message is received. This is live traffic. It's real traffic. And it will, anywhere in the world where that is subscribed, on your phone, on your laptop, on an IoT device, on your Raspberry Pi. That's how it works. There you go. Thank you so much. Absolutely. Oh, what site is that? Rin Ocean. This is pubnub.com. I'll put it over here on our Discord. Here you go. So that is linked, link share. There you go. Whoa. No, it's great. Hey, Mr. Fabry. Nice project. Keep moving forward. Sounds good. What's up, Steven? What's going on? Hey, Robot Blot. Yo, how's it going? We're building YouTube today. We're building YouTube. Sort of. I mean, we're building a video app, a video streaming app. So we'll see if we can make it work. All right, so we've got our upload there. I know we probably could just do a header, right? We could probably do a header. This part's failed. Let's see here. So let me try to curl this. Okay. How about we just say file equals? How about file equals like that? That better? No? Okay. So we need to figure out why this is broken. Value error expected, upload file received a string. All right. So then if we can't do that, we got to do something different here. What's stopping me from stealing a subscribe and publish key from the website? Use and sub there? Yeah, go for it. Go for it. It's the only thing that's really stopping you is you don't control it and you don't secure it, because there's also a secret key, and the secret key allows you to create access and authority for other. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. You won't need servers or something. Yes, exactly. Ren Ocean, exactly. You got it. You figured it out. That's it. Dev tool, or is there infra? It's infra. It's infrastructure. Thank you for the hearts and party poppers, you guys. Back for 10 minutes, Bonzupi. All right, WebSockets. Yes, Mr. Fabry, you got it. You win. You got the gold star. You figured it out. Yes. You guys, you figured this out. This is great. You know what's what? You know it. Is it possible to send the input form from a chat direct to other chat systems without the pub sending it? You can, yes, it is. It's very possible. This easy mode, though, of course, is, oh, hey, you guys are pressing the send button. Whoa, look at that. I received your data. If you go to this page here, I'll be able to see anything that you chat over there. I'll put this over on our link share here as well. There you go. This is the tour. If you click that, anything that you send here will show up on my screen too. Can you show us your PC specs? All right, let's do it. I'll show you here. Here, we'll go to the side. Here we go, H-top, here we go. So now you can see I've got a 16 core machine and a lot of gigabytes. 128 gig of memory. That's a lot of memory, yeah? Are you using Node.js? Hey, how's it going there, Looney? Welcome on in. We are using Python Fast API today. We have used Node.js previously. All right. Yo, I can see your messages, you guys. Hey, check this. Look. This is a message sent by Loons404. All right. Loons404, there you go. Look at that. You sent quite a few. See, it works. It works. Hey, Steven, a minute ask, are you any under-tested attack surfaces I should be testing for bug bounty? Yes, we do have a bug bounty program. If you test and find a vulnerability, we will pay you money. Quick fix was here. All right. Hey, take a look at that. Oh, damn. Are you a founder? Yes. Roblot, yes. Founder. You got it. Tested IDORs, a few other obvious things. Nice, Bonzupi. Yes, we will definitely, we have a bounty program. We have a bounty program. 128 megs of RAM. Yeah. Just make a whole company a top of it. I know, right? Yeah. Hey, you asked for it. Yep. So here we go. A little bit of memory right here. Just a smidgen of memory. Right there. A little bit of smidgen of memory. All right. Close that. There we go. Bring them back over here. Now we need to figure out why we're getting errors. We got to figure out why we're getting errors. Probably because this. Try that again. Okay. Value error. Expected upload file received as string. Okay. All right. So what if we did like a header or something? Upload. LOAD. Upload. All right. And then, okay. So it's still here. Let's do this. Let's get rid of that. And then we will say nothing. All right, perfect. Yes, but what specific things would you like to see have a bit more testing? Let's see. Ooh, you could do our portal. The portal, so like for example, admin.pubm.com, which requires credentials and login. That could be something that would be testable. That's a front door. So that's like a really critical secure, something that we need to have really secure. So if you want to do admin.pubm.com, that's a good one. Got to find some bugs so I can get myself a new laptop. Hey, all right. Rate my notification sound, Minecraft sound here. Where, oh, wait, 1 second. Oh, 1 second. Here we go. All right. Quick fix. All right. I don't know. Hey, message sent using curl. Whoa, no way. Did you really? Did you send a curl using this? That's great. Nice. Very nice, you guys. All right, Steven, do you know how I can get Cozy Terminal where I have tmux implement? How can I change the keyboard shortcut control, go to the next window? Oh, Danifix. Okay, so this is what I do too. I do that too. I have a different escape sequence character for my tmux. So I have that here on GitHub. On gists. Here we go. My ghosty. Here, check this out. Here you go. It is. Where is this at? It's one of these here. I'll let you know. Where is it? This is it here. G prefix. Right here. So I do Control A, but the default is Control B. So this is the prefix right here. I'll put this on link share so you can grab that. I put that. So you can do this on link share. Here we go. Link share on our Discord. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. paste. There you go. Okay. That's how you do it. Right there. Right there. Hey, Obi. How's it going there? Obi Web, welcome on in. Seems solid. Nice. All right. Hey, Xfis. Yo, Xfis man. Thank you for following. I love your operating system. Well, your distro. I used your distro for a half decade solid. Xfis, fantastic desktop experience because it's so lightweight. Yo, Xfis, thank you. I love it. Is that C++? This is just a, this is tmux config format. Xfis, yeah, Xfis, all right. Yeah, I love it. I love your operating, your distro. I love your distro. Hey, the sick builder, how's it going? The skill builder. You literally drink half a sip. What? Yeah, I drink it slowly. I do. I drink water slowly. It's how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to drink water slowly. When security researcher says you login portal is boring, that's good news. Yes, it is. That's good news. Yep, it is. Thanks, Danafix. Absolutely. You're welcome. Code, but none work fine. All right, sounds good. All right, let's see here. Let me see here. Here we go. Where's our bid? Where we do this at here? All right, there we go. Nice, you guys. Message sent on Loons by Curl on Windows 11. Curl on Windows 11. Wow. Impressive. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Pubnub looks really cool. How does it compare with Convex? Currently, it powers our real-time app. Pubnub looks like it has more SDKs. We'll give it a try. All right, Robot. Hey, RobotBot, thank you. Absolutely. Yeah, we're globally distributed. We've got data centers on all of Amazon's regions. So your users connect to the closest region. And we have our own proprietary message bus written in Rust and C that does the global replication. We copy when you send a message into Pubnub, it copies the message 30 times across all the different servers. So your data is available. It's a guarantee delivery. It's how we guarantee delivery. Bro's not human. Real human man from Earth. Real human man from Earth, you guys. The skill builder. Real human man from Earth. Hey there. Hey, how's it going there, Otoswee? Good to see you, Otoswee. All right. Good to have you guys here. Let's see if we can figure out how to fix this upload file, yeah? So let me see. So I wanted this format here. However, this isn't doing quite the trick. Let me see if we can grab this here. All right. Expected upload file, receive the string class. Did we really though? But we said -f. We received -f there. Let's try this. All right. String class. Did we do this correctly? Oh, I did not type it properly. There we go. So let's see here. Video video.mp4. Yeah, okay. So that's the file there. So let me double check. Let me just do a copy and paste on this here. All right, equals video 4. All right. It says I'm still doing a string, but I'm not though. I'm definitely not. Are we doing upload? Video upload. Yeah, this is upload. That should work perfectly fine. Hey, how's it going there, guys? Thank you for saying hi, Carl Jackson. Good to see you. And Afad, hey, good to see you as well. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. VS Code's not better for coding. You use the code editor that makes you happy. That's the answer. Use the one that makes you happy. It doesn't matter which one it is. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Bet it can help you more and have more extensions. Yes, you're right. It does. Hey, Mr. L, thank you for subscribing. All right. Happy Saturday. You joined the right channel for software engineering. What we do here is we code by hand. We code by hand. We're building with Python, with Rust, with C. We can do some Kotlin. We can do C#. I want to learn Haskell. I want to do more Haskell. It could be fun to learn like some Elixir or some Erlang, right? And then Malbogle. I want to try some Malbogle as well. Making CLI tool for this. All right. What do you think? Yep. Use your favorite text editor. That's my recommendation to you. CLI tool for Pubnub demo. Nice. Hey, Loons or Quick Fix. Sorry, I mixed. Hey, Quick Fix. Yeah, I would love to see it. I'd love to see it. I think that would be a lot of fun. Where is our demo window? Here we go. All right, let's pull this in over here. We'll pin this tab so we don't lose it anymore. There we go. Look at that cheeseburger. All right. Hey, Cheddar Royal, how's it going? Good to see you. Yo, Neva. How is streaming? Going good. Good to see you, Neva. Hope you're doing good over there as well. All right, we're trying to get our upload file working. I know we're going really slow. It's not, things, don't worry. Erlang Elixir is concurrency safe. Yep. Higher concurrency performance than even Rust does. Ooh, all right, there we go. Hell yeah, cheeseburger. Yep, look at that. Message sent from pubnum.com. All right, send from the demo. Nice. Love your energy. Yo, Cheddar Royal, thank you. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. All right, all right. I want to get this working. It's just not doing what I want. All right. So let me see here. All right, file upload, print file. See if we can see anything here. Nope. Okay. So this part is just not working. Let me see here. Are we? Oh, maybe we need to say equals file, like that. Is this something we got to do? We're gonna try that file. See if that does anything different. Nope. Still not. Yeah, still not working. We'll figure it out though. Use AI, bro. We're gonna, yeah, we'll use AI. We will. It's gonna happen. Let's spam those hearts, guys. Hey, Denifix, thank you. It can easily race. It's you be safe on the threads though. Okay, got it. But Erlang is not concurrency safe. All right, good to know. Good to know. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. All right, so we are doing some building of a video hosting API, kind of like YouTube. How's it going there? Islamic. Yo, Islamic edits. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. We're going to use AI now. We're going to use AI to help us here. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go to see some Gemini here. Still a little bit of Gemini. All right. Here, this. And then we get an error. Paste in the error. Here we go. All right. Copy, paste that. And let's get a little bit of assistance here. Just a little bit of assistance. Steven, what metadata do you have on each video? Just title. Here, I'll show you. It's actually pretty easy. We got upload date, title, description, views, and likes. That's it. That's it. That's all we got. And also, Neva, we're doing PG vector now. So in the database here, I'll show you real quick. The Docker Compose is using PG vector, which is Postgres with PG vector plugin pre-installed. So we're good to go. PG vect, good to go. What are we building? We're building API today. That's going to be the YouTube API, essentially. YouTube video hosting app API. Doing more Vimeo than YouTube. Oh, I remember those days. We were doing a lot of Vimeo. It should have been YouTube, though. It should have been. How do you make the service, though? We're doing it right now. This is all the code that you see on the screen. Right here. Fast API Docs recommends using Python multipart. Oh, Python multipart. Okay. I think that sounds like a good idea. All right. Let me see here. Did I type this wrong? Did I type my curl wrong? Video equals file. Oh, at. We forgot the at sign. That's what it is. Hey, there we go. We figured it out. We were just missing a symbol. Look at that. See? A little bit of symbol right here. See? I don't know if you can see it very well here, but it's this right here. The at sign. It was the at sign all along, you guys. I was just me doing it wrong. Problem between keyboard and mouse. And chair. Keyboard and chair. I remember that. Bro, look at the Zuckerberg. Oh, bro, look like. Yeah, Mark Zucker. I see what you're saying there. We're both the same age. Well, we're similarly aged. Yo, Postgres got rewritten in Rust. I saw. Whoa. Everything's getting rewritten in Rust, you guys. It's all being rewritten in Rust. It's crazy. I enjoy watching your streams, even though it's 12:43 a.m. for me right now. Whoa. Hey. All right. Good to hear it. Thank you, guys. Rust is so interesting. We'll be doing a lot more Rust on this channel. Rust is one of my top favorite languages. I like it. I like to do simple Rust, though. I like to simple Rust it. Get off that is required for uploading. We might do that, yeah. What do you think of the idea of making a Rust plugin that limits you to a pure function subset of Rust? Ooh, for Haskell function programming, but with higher performance. Ooh, we could build a linter that does that, yeah? Bunzupi, if we took the Rust programming language and then sort of had it lint to only allow you to code like that, that could work. You could do it. You should let the server choose the ID, not the client. The server does choose the ID. The server does. The server chooses the ID here, UUID 7, and it returns you the container ID. You must use that ID when you upload the video. This is not my preferred approach, though. You know what? We might be able to, now that we know how that we're doing this the right way. So let's see here, question mark ID. We might be able to do this all in one. Everything all in one. So we could do like question mark, like title, right? Here we go. Question mark title equals, you know, a bunch of text, right? We might be able to do that. We might be able to. Okay. So if we can grab the title, I think, let's see if we could grab this. So title equals a string. Let's see if we can make that work. Let's see if we can make that work. Oh, so we might be able to. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do all along. So now we don't have to have two separate things. We can do everything all in one. When you can do text search using SBERT. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. All right, let me see if I missed any of your chat messages, you guys. He asked his, let's see, Postgres perfect example of how not to do that. Is it? Was it? Hey, how's it going there? No hi in case. No hi in case. No H in case. No H in case. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Oh, so Tanmay. Yo, Tanmay, I missed your message. Thank you also for subscribing. Good to have you here. You guys joined the right channel for software engineering. We code everything by hand here. We look up things every now and then, and we try to do the best we can. What type of things in Rust? Mostly our technology is written in Rust. So we have our own message bus in Rust that is globally distributed. It's an active replication model, right? So eventually consistent, which allows us to have high throughput, high concurrency, and extreme performance. Extreme performance. So it's written in Rust, you guys. My tech. Okay. We get the code. Yeah, exactly. It's open source. Learning Python, should I go for Rust? Ocean. I recommend Rust only if you're going to be building a systems level application, right? Like a service. So like, for example, my tech is a message bus. It needs to be performant and efficient. So if most applications though, they don't need that level of scale. If you desire, you can start learning Rust. I do recommend it. It's a really good language and it's really powerful. Someone did that for Haskell, made a really high performant compiler for it. Ooh, never, really? I didn't know. Hey, how's it going there, Mr. Mice? Yo, Mr. Nice. Mr. Nice, thank you for the gold coin. My gratitude to you. That's really nice. Mr. Nice is Mr. Nice because you gave me a gold coin. Pub numbers go. Hey, Memphis. Yo, it's going. Hope it's going good over there for you. Happy Saturday. Remember seeing it's almost one-to-one replication with additional riff cell stuff for safety. No, that's not how you should write Rust. Oh, when they did the rewrite. Got it. That's not the way to do it. We did a major project that involved creating libraries for machine learning in Rust. Oh, yo, 11. Hey, 11 loose hair. 11th loose hair. That sounds really that sounds really good. If your AI is a perfect place for Rust to exist, right? If you're building AI, Rust is a good tool for that. Hey, Scarlet Fire, Loons, yeah. You recognize. How's it going there? Mahinder. Thanks for saying hi. Starting sounds good, Ren Ocean. I'm doing some cybersecurity hyper crash course with ChatGPT. Nice. Rust could be nice if someone makes a nice CUDA for it. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, you can do that. I saw there was some easier CUDA-like interface for Rust. C++ is the stuff for AI is way better than Rust at the moment. Okay, got it. I want to try the Candle library. Candle lib in Rust. That's what I want to try. I want to try that. Okay, so let's see if we can get this stuff. Yeah, so we'll do title, description. Here we go. Description. There we go. And then we got our upload file. Okay. So we'll do file. We'll do this. Title. We're going to do an all-in-one here. I think we can do that. I think we can do this. Description. Whoa. Description. There we go. And you know what? Actually, you know what's even better is if we want to confirm that this is working here. We'll grab this up here. Yeah. No, not that. We won't grab that. Just the title. Title. Okay. And description. Description. Looks good there. Okay. All right. Excellent. NVIDIA ships CUDA and gives you guarantees on it. So if you want the best, that's the best. That's a good point. That is a good point. I can't argue with that. If you're looking for the number one in the world today, that is the number one. Do I need the number one though? That's the question. Do you need it? Do you actually need it? Definitely needs the terms and conditions. Bro definitely reads. Hey, the skill builder. Mode. Sometimes I do. Oh, wait. Yo. It's Windows Manager and pronounced XFCE, like the letters. Oh, right. I might have done XFCE. I saw your message over there a little while ago. I missed it. I call it XFIS. Okay. So let's see. Let's get rid of this. We'll get rid of that. All right. Now let's confirm that we're looking good here. All right. So that oh, right. Because we're missing fields. So let's try this. Title 1, 2, 3. And description equals 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay. Perfect. And if we did like a %20, does it auto translate? %20. It does. Nice. Okay, good. Okay. So that's what we can do. This is going to be our new video upload right here. This will be the way we upload videos. All right. I love it. Okay. What are you training to build? Oh, hey. How's it going there, Anime Dream. Oh, Anime Dream. Hey, how's it going over there? We are building a YouTube app. Here we go. We're building a YouTube app right there, which is going to be the video part. So we're doing the video upload part. I'm grabbing the video. I'm getting an API. I'm writing the API so that way we can capture the title, the description, and the video container itself. And then we're going to save the video container and the ID of the video in a database. And we're good to go. Building YouTube clone. That's it. There you go. YouTube clone. Right there. Here. All right, let's go. Now we need to. So when we insert the video, I also should say like video.save video. I'm trying to figure out my favorite approach. We don't need the ID anymore. So we can just delete that. We can return this again. Although, I mean, might as well return the video ID. Because we don't know what it's going to be. So let's see here. I think, should we say upload maybe? Should we do that? I'm not sure if I want to or not. I suppose we could. We could do it separate. Or we could also pass it in here. Right? We could pass it in here. So instead of insert, let's change the name of the insert. Because I don't like that name. I want it to be different. All right, let's go over here on the main file, insert. Here we go. So there's two of them. Do I want this one? All right, so this is, we don't need this anymore. So let's just delete that. Okay. And then this is the one that we really need right here. Okay. So do I want to call this save, add, insert, upload? We could do upload, videos to upload. Is that a better name? All right, we'll try it. Hey, Neon Java, good to see you. Hey, welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Good to have you here. How did you move the cursor that fast? I'm just using my keyboard. You can see all the keyboards. See at the very bottom of the screen there. You can see you can see my keyboard. I'm like jumping around on my keyboard there. You can see all the keys I'm pressing. I'm pressing my stuff on my keyboard. Right here. Right. There you go. There we go. Keyboard. That's the answer. It's a really simple answer. I'm pressing buttons on the keyboard. All right, so we need it between these two. Do I want to call it insert or upload? Videos to upload. I'm going to call it upload. And then, but before I do that though, I'm gonna create a separate upload file here. Let's get rid of this. All right. And then keep that hidden. There's no point for that right now. Then I want to do the upload separately. We'll do the upload separately here. Here we go. And then we could just keep that for later. I don't care about this. Pass here. Bring this down for later. We'll keep that later in case we want that. In case we want it. Where are we? My promotion, please. Oh, what does that mean? Loons, what do you mean? At Loons. What? What are you talking about? Okay. So let's keep going. We get our video title here. I want to do a video upload. Yeah, I do want to do it here. All right, so we do, let's see here. We'll leave this for later. So we'll go back over here, get the title, and then we're gonna do a video insert as well. We're gonna do this differently. Instead of grabbing the body, we already have the data here. RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Hey, how's it going there, Panda Sauce Man? Good to have you here. All right, you did Rang in Rust. That's crazy. Oh, RAG. Yes, we did. Hey, Panda. Yes, we did RAG and Rust. We did. That was previous. That was the previous episode. That's previous series, which was like a week ago. We are going to do more Rust. I like Rust. Rust is very satisfying. It really is. Hey, how's it going there? Hidden in Sound. Welcome back, Hidden in Sound. Hello, sir. I'm from India. Can you give me a roadmap for CS roadmap into Google, Microsoft, or any other big MNCs? Ooh, can you teach me? Which IDE is that? Vim? Yeah, Neon Java. You got it. Vim. Yes, you got it. All right. So for the big players, they're going to want you to know all the things, right? And they're especially going to want you to know AI and tech, right? They're going to want you to know AI. They're going to want you to know a whole bunch of different back-end architecture, right? So what do you want here? You're going to want this architecture, like big scale web architecture. So things like load balancing. You want some load balancing in there. You want some databases. Let's just do this. Let's do the list differently here. All right, here, copy paste that. We want databases. No, I want to copy paste this. Here we go. All right, databases, caching, right? A little bit of caching in there. Cache ing. It's like Redis, memcached, things like that. Databases, Postgresql, right? A little bit of that. SQLite, and so on. Databases, Redis, DAGs, so DAGs, right? Dicyclical aggregated something. Bro's to-do list is another company, 10 years. Oh, roadmap. That's a big one. Yeah. What engineer are you? Oh, Hidden Sound. Thank you for asking. I'm glad you asked. My name is Stephen. Let me zoom in on this. I am co-founder CTO at PubNub. We're a globally distributed message bus, a communications API built for multi-user experiences. Top 10 apps in the App Store today, they all have built-in app communication. That means like chat, multiplayer games, order delivery, where you see the car on the map drive towards you, right? Drive towards you. So this is the tech that I offer, and this is my company, co-founded with Todd Green. Working for AI, you want to at least a bachelor's and include statistics and calculus 2 minimum. Oh, yes, Neva. I like that idea. Let's add that in as well. There we go. Copy that. Yes, agreed. So here we go. We'll grab this as well. AI, you want at least bachelor's. It includes stats, calculus 2, at a minimum, right? For AI. So there's a lot of things you got to learn. There's just a lot of things. You could also learn some comp sci stuff like systems, like I don't know, microsystems. I don't know when I'm saying that. Talking more about like the assembly and addressing, hardware address. I don't know. So you can do like ports and things like that, right? Port communication. A lot of things you got to do. There's so much. If you're working on a smaller stake style, maybe AI is less intense. All right. Here we go, you guys. So there's a lot of things. This is the world I come from right here. Web architecture, high scale, load balancing, globally distributed, replication. This is my world. This is where I am an expert. The calculus thing is for machine learning, right? It is. Yep. Machine learning for calculus. Okay. So I hope that's a good starting point for industry. Okay. So let's see if we can get our file now. All right. So we got our video, we got our upload, and I'm going to add this here, this curl command into our, here we go, curl by test. We're going to upload the file here. Okay. Paste that. There we go. Okay. And we're going to say title equals beep and description equals boop. There we go. Description. Description. There we go. All right. Oh, quick fix. You made a pull request. I merged it. I think, right? Let me see. Let me see if I merged it around. Not that one. Is it this one? Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Quick. See, right there. Hello from Quick Fix. We merged it in. It's merged. It's an empty file. You merged it in 3 days ago. You have a degree, and that is good way to show you know how to read a paper. Those archive papers, right? Archive papers. Here we go. Archive. This right here. Oh, you did another one. Okay. Let's see here. Pull request. Oh, hey. All right. Let's do this. All right. Let's take a look. What do you got? What do you got? CodeTube. StephenTube. Hey. All right. GitHub authentication for uploading videos. You mentioned that earlier. Hey. All right. So I will say approve, submit. And if I do that, are you able to merge it yourself? I'm actually kind of curious. If you click, hey, how's it going there, Malcolm? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. Good to have you here. All right. You guys have the right idea. You have the right idea. You're learning C programming too? Nice. You can't? Okay. I'll merge it. I'll merge it for you. Done. Merged. On the way. There you go. You did it. You didn't add the looks good to me. Oh, whoops. I forgot the LGMT. Looks good to me. Every dev in depression, right? All right, here, we'll retroactively add that. We'll retroactively add it. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. Let's add it. All right. Looks good to me. There we go. There. All right. LGMT or LGTM. You got it. Thank you for the reminder. Stephen, I have a problem. I have one Tmux window with 3 panes. Right? 3 panes. Yep. And don't work for me because I only have one Tmux window. So how can I set up a switch between them? For me, I did Control A tab. Control A tab is what I do. You can also do this. This is another option. You can press Control A. Let me see here. Hold on 1 second. Let's do this. Control A quote mark. Although that's my special command. And that allows you to switch between windows differently. You could do that. Control A quote mark. Is this it here? Yeah, okay. Ooh, I do have to be careful because I have a lot of other windows open. Electrical engineering, yeah. So, I recommend if you want, you don't have to do this, but if you want, this is how I do it. Is this it here? Yeah, I'm bringing this over here. So I have this quote mark. Where is it? Let's see if you can find it. Choose window. You can do that one. So that's a bind you can do, right? So you can escape and then you press the quote mark. And then you can also do the next, previous and next window. So these are other bindings that I use. If you want to do that, if you want to. Now, Tmux has default bindings. You might want to use those rather than building my own custom ones because these are GNU screen bindings. You might not want to do that in Tmux. It's completely up to you though. It's completely up to you. All right. Neva is an expert, you guys. If you want to know as much as possible, Neva will be the one to get your advice from for anything related to computer science and AI. Can you drop the link into your Git repo? Oh, Exfis, yes. Which one are you talking about? I'll drop the links here. Can you drop the link to your GitHub repo? Yes. Let's do that real quick. So you're talking about this one here, probably. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so this is the app. If you want, there you go. My mentor did a physics degree and they got pretty darn good for Intel. Hey, nice. All right, cool. XFist, you're welcome. Sir, you'll hire me after my 4 years of CS engineering with developing good skills. I'll let you know in our Discord server. I post when we got new job listings. So absolutely. Check your messages. Which one? Quick fix. Let me see here. Can you add key as admin so I can fix the action? You mean here? I can add you as a collaborator. I can add you as a collaborator. All right, 1 second. 1 second, you guys. I'll try. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Because I can add you as a collaborator. 1 second, I'm authenticating. All right, what was your username here? 1 second. All right, I'm doing some work over here on the other side of the screen, you guys. You can't see. All right, so hacker type 2311. Okay, I'm gonna try. Add people. Here we go. Okay. All right. Pending invite. All right, here you go. Pending invite. It's sent to your email. Hacker type 2311. Pending invite. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But if it does work, then we're good to go. Okay. Bring that back over here. Reminds me that when I have a degree, I will need to apply to something at PubNub because why not? Hey, that sounds good to me. Sounds like a good plan. All right, beep, boop. We got our beep and boop here. So let's grab this. Yeah, I think that's fine. Upload title. Oh, we need to, yeah, that's fine, whatever. Money title, T-I-T-L-E. And we will put some brackets around there. Thank you for the party poppers and the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Description. There we go. All right. So there is our test. Let's hide this. All right. So this is our new test here. This is the new test. All right. ./test. Here we go. Beep boop. Beep boop. There we go. All right. Hey, thank you, Lillian. Yo, Lillian, for the silver star. Thank you very much. My gratitudes to you. Appreciate it. Sir, what is the technology behind live captions? Yeah, so that's a good question here. I have it available for you on our Discord. It is free technology that I wrote 8 years ago. So you see here, find 8 years ago. See there's some tech here. It is an open source repository that gives you access to adding subtitles onto your live streams, into your Google Meets, your Zoom meetings, wherever you want them to be. Wherever you want them to be. It's a really straightforward, simple process. You just click a few buttons and then you add it to your OBS if you want, as a browser. As a browser. It is on our Discord. I'll send you a link here under link share real quick. There you go, link share right there. That'll do it. It's free, it's open source. You can do rainbow if you want. You can do rainbow. You can do the standard sort of like, closed captioning. Looks like closed captioning if you want. That pattern works as well. And as a bonus, we also have Nancat. We have got Nancat right there. Having the subtitles in Zoom meetings would be wild, right? Right? You could do it. All right. Okay, here we go. So if you want one word at a time, the configuration setup is here. So you just click, you use this configuration setup here. That one right there, that'll do it. Right there, you're good to go. Okay. So let's get back to our upload here. So now that we've got the file, we don't need to do the file equals, I don't think we need to do that. See here. There we go. Yeah, okay. So let's get rid of code reduction, you guys. Code reduction. We like that. We love code reduction. Here we go. Are we using request? We're not using request, so let's get rid of that. There we go. File upload. Looking good. So you can make me admin. Yep. I clicked the button. I clicked it. Quick fix. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, then there's no other options, basically. I did the invite. So you have access now. You have access now. So you can make me admin. Check it. Okay. 1 second. Checking. All right. So what is this? Can't access settings. Getting a 404 error when trying to access settings on a repo. Collaborator, username, writer, admin. Okay. Let's see here. 1 second. We will grab this over here. All right, you guys. So good to have you here. We're doing a little bit of, what do you call it? IT work right now. A little bit of IT work. Some DevOps. Settings. Collaborators. Okay. See, you're there. All right. You're there. You made it. You're live. It's there. GitHubbing. Exactly. GitHubbing. Sir, give me your LinkedIn. Absolutely. So I'll share it on Discord. So you can get it there anytime you want. If you want, we can connect on LinkedIn. So grab it here on Discord. I'll share it under link share, you guys. There you go. Under link share, right there. You can connect to me on LinkedIn if you're interested. If you are interested, we will connect. Sir, I don't use Discord. Oh no, really? Okay, so what you can do is search for Stephen Blum on LinkedIn. So go to LinkedIn and then click the search button here. Search for Stephen Blum and you will find me. That'll be the way to do it. That one's easy. Stephen Blum. And it shouldn't fail on your side. Refresh. Let's see here. Reload. Okay. Well, that, or you could also Google it right here. So go to Google for Stephen Blum. So say Stephen Blum LinkedIn on Google. And you'll see me here. This is the one right here. It said you can't be Stephen Blum. Oh, wait, you can't be Stephen Blum. Oh, the skill builder. Wait, really? No way. Why? What makes you say that? Okay, I'll search myself. Sounds good. Yo, that's interesting. Tell me more. What makes you think? I mean, this is our GitHub repo right here. So you go to GitHub Stephen Blum, right? This is me. Also, you guys, I've been posting on Instagram as well, and I've been getting some comments called LARP, which means live action roleplay, which also means like I'm faking it or something like that. But look how many years I've been on GitHub since it came out. I've been doing GitHub forever. You can see all the years here, and you can see my commit ratios. And way before AI was a thing. Like AI was not a thing way back over here. So are we LARPing or are we not? You a legit OG. There we go. Hey, Capster man. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Appreciate it. Yeah, see, we've been doing this for a while. Okay. Let's get back to coding now. So before the one thing that we got to do today is make sure that we're uploading the file and dealing with the file. So let me see how we do with that. So now that we've got the file, we need to save and store the file. So that's the thing that we got to do next. Okay. We should also return the video ID. I think that would be a really good idea here. Yeah, the video ID as well. Video ID, the title, the description. And then we need to upload. So we need to do videos.upload. I think we called it upload, right? Yeah, we did. Videos.upload file. Like that. Okay, perfect. Hello, I'm back. All right. Liff, good to have you here. Welcome on back. Happy Saturday. Here we go. So now we need to do this. All right, so let's do print file. Let's take a look at that. Let's see what's going on in there. Okay, here's the file. It says video MP4, the size, the headers, and the data format, or the form data, file name. Oh, form data. Oh, okay, I guess we could have, yeah, whatever. Application content, octet stream. Okay. So this is everything we need. Now that we have that, what we have to do is we have to copy that file to our data directory. I'm I Love Food. Do you remember me? Oh, you're I Love Food. What, really? Not Lyft. Okay. Oh, I'm not Lyft. Okay, got it. You're I Love Food. Well, good to have you back. Welcome on in. Thank you for visiting and hanging out with us today. Okay. Still not? It's still not working? Well, yeah, I clicked on it, but it's not gonna... It won't do anything here. Let's see here. Hey there, I run into the exact same issue before. How can I help you? Being added as collaborator doesn't automatically grant you access. Okay, so how do we do that? Go to the repository, look for the role indicator, or ask the repo owner at what level they're assigned. Reach out to repository owner. Go to settings, collaborators. So we were there. Let's do that really quick. Collaborators. Where's that at here? Over here maybe? No. All right, let's go to our repositories. No. Repositories, here we go. We're doing a little bit of DevOps here. 1 second, you guys. We'll get back to coding in a moment. Settings, collaborators. I can delete you. That's all I have access to do. I can delete you. That won't work though. Okay. Let's see. Explain which setting you need to modify. Then they can upgrade your admin role. There's no other options. Manage visibility. Add people. One collaborator. Yeah, that's it. If I click on your user, it just goes to your username. There's no other options. There are no other options. Go to the repository, look for your role indicator, sometimes shown near your username, or ask the repo owner to what level they're assigned. This doesn't, there's no other option. Moderator options, interact, see here. If you guys know, so the link that you sent me doesn't work. Maybe click one collaborator. All right. Yep, here you go. This is just the same page. So I'm clicking on it. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. It's already there. It's just taking us to this page here. It's the same page, right? So collaborators, one collaborator, right? Yeah, the only option I have is to delete you. So that's it, Okay, click type. Type, here you go. Collaborators pending. See, that's all there is. Hey, Redless Saber, good to see ya. Happy Saturday. Welcome on in. Then fix. So it's weird. I was solved the problem. I must config on the ghosty config now. Oh, nice. You can switch. Oh, it was a ghosty config problem. Okay. Weird. I know. Quick fix, right? Yeah. All right. So that's all. That we've hit our limit on that. So I'm gonna. There's nothing else we could do there. We're done. It just doesn't exist. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. The skill builder, bro, any advice on becoming a systems administrator? What skills should I focus on? DevOps, operations, IT, terminal window commands, bash, ZSH, those sorts of things. If you want to do a system admin, right? Probably some database in there, a little bit smidgen of database, right? Oh, also if you want, you could go into like orchestration. So you could do Kubernetes, yeah, you could do Docker, right? Different containers, Podman. Maybe virtualization, file system stuff, systemd. There you go. Lots of items. Clone, git, work, push, and push in the different branch so you can have a separate base. Neon Java. Which code editor are you using? Cordy, we are using ghosty plus vim plus tmux. Yeah. Okay. In GitHub, the ability to assign roles, including admin, depends on whether the repository is part of a personal account or organization. So I know it'll work. If it's an organization, it'll work. This is my personal account, though. So this is the answer. You found it. That's it right there. Loons, you figured it out? Or sorry, Quick Fix, you figured it out. I read your name wrong, sorry. Stop mixing me up with Loons. Okay, I promise I'll stop. Are you going to host this on a server? Yes. Yes, I am. All right, you guys. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. So, Loons, you Quick Fix, you figured it out. Personal account is the answer. That's why it doesn't work. All right. Can you transfer it? No, I can't. Because that would mean that I have to do something that is not compliant. No, I don't have a separate org that I can transfer it to. Because, I mean, I do, but we're not gonna. Because that would be access control violation. It would be an access control violation, which I cannot do. And I'm very, very cautious about that. I can call you can I call you? What do you mean? Can anyone give me tips to increase my laptop's battery backup? Oh, it hardly gives you 1 hour? Oh, your battery, you need to replace it. You have a voice changer? We're good. We're good. Quick fix. We're good. Are you also making the moderation? Yeah, that's a good idea. I didn't even think of that. Hey, that's a good idea. All right. How's it going there, Nishara? Nisharam, good to see you. Happy Saturday. Welcome in. Replace the battery. Yes. All right. So let's add your idea. Good idea. Steven. All right. So we got to do moderation, right? Here we go. Let's do moderation. Moderation. All right there. We can do that. So for example, we'd say remove bad words. We could do that. We could do that easy. Remove the bad words, you guys. Bad words. R-E-M-O-V-E. There we go. Hold on. XP. There we go. Perfect. Remove bad words. Nice. All right, my laptop's not that old. Oh, then you need to update your operating system to Linux. That'll do the trick. You're probably running Windows right now, and it has a bunch of bloatware on it that's draining your battery because it's just keeping your CPU active. It's like a 1-year-old. It's got to be your operating system. What's the progress on the YouTube clone? I couldn't join. I thought, Red the Saber. Yes. So we've got basically a database set up. We've got the metadata set up. We can post a video. We are doing the binary data right now. We're dealing with binary data. Check general. All right. Steven, we should drink 55 beers today. Yo. This is the beverage of choice here. I know, right? What is this? It's water. Check the video. All right. 1 second. Operating system. This is Darwin. Here we go. Like this uname. Type uname. You can see here it says Darwin, which is Mac OS. That's Mac OS, you guys. Have you done any of the user interface? No, I have not. There's no user interface yet. Just curl. You can't send it. General. Here we go. What do you guys think? Oh, right. Yes. This was great. I remember this. This looks good. Looks really good. Voting. Yes. Test. Success. Look at that right there. Hey, Jackie. Welcome on back. Good to see ya. Happy Saturday. Sir, what country are you from? United States. Seattle, Washington. USA. Seattle, Washington. There we go. Easy. Okay, let's see here. Prompt to syntax, filter out the slurs. Yeah, and the clone and Gemini, we could, the photos and videos. Right, I didn't think about that. Yes, I forgot about that. So, bad words, and we also have to remove questionable videos, right? Questionable videos. Got to take care of that. That too. Hey, Steven. Avi says, hey, I'm building an authentication app. Give me some suggestions. If you're building authentication, you're probably going to do something like OAuth, right? Are you going to do a authentication that is sort of like better auth or auth 0? Because you can use Pixie, right? You could do Pixie, PKCE. It's called OpenID Connect. OpenID Connect PKCE. You could do that, which allows you to create your own client secret and client code. Client, the public key, private keys, right? And then you could use that to identify users trying to connect in through different systems. So if they want to connect to Google and GitHub and whatever else, right? X and whatever OAuth system is available. You could do that too. All right. So the one thing we want to do today, here, file upload on our main. Bring back our main here really quick. Okay. I want this here. So did I do upload or post? All right, so this is video, don't care. We're gonna do upload. So this is the new main one. This is the old one. So we want to save that file. All right. Google Fast API file. Let's see, upload file, save to folder, directory. Let's see if I can grab that there real quick. Okay. We don't need to do multi-part. I don't think so. Okay, file path, upload directory, file path. Okay. And then we say file path open. file name. Shuttle copy is okay. So sysutil copy file object. And what is buffer? Oh, as buffer. Here we go. Okay. Save successfully. All right. You know what? That seems pretty straightforward. We could do that. Do we have this though? Python import this. We do. Okay. That is a default. We can grab that. So let's grab this here. Okay. Paste that in. All right. Sir, which programming language is that you are currently typing with? Hidden sound. This is Python. This is Python. A little bit of Python for you there. Oop, I typed that wrong. Underscore Python. There we go. A little bit of Python. Yeah. So if Gemini's own safety filters say it's bad, that's how we know that it violates the rules. For text, you have to think of the syntax for Gemini. Yes. Yes, lift. I agree with you on that. Okay. Login successful. Refresh page session expired. Maybe. It's Scratch MIT EDU. All right, let me check general real quick. What do you say here? Oh, hey, what is this? What do you got going on over here? What is this? Oh, right. The sound effect. I like the sound effect it does. Yo, show, thank you for this gold coin. My gratitudes to you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Steven, where's this chat at? If you go to our Discord and then you look under link share, there is a link here. You click on the link here and it takes you to a GitHub repository. And then there's another link here. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to give you a direct link here on a link share so it makes it a little bit easier. Here's the direct link. You just click on this. Wait, what are you doing? Required approval for first-time collaborators. Type in your GitHub
required.
In fact, this instance
for first-time
is
contributors with
but not the main
attributable
repo.
For
it's another private repo with your
I
credentials.
I don't know where. If you can send a link.
What stack are we using for this? Pretty good.
Okay. One
like
second.
the sound effect.
Let me see.
The sound effect it does.
I'm just gonna double check this real quick.
Show, thank you for
General
this
actions.
My gratitudes to
General.
You. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Steven, where's this?
Under
chat?
actions?
If you go to our
All right, hold on a second. I'm just going to check that real quick. I don't know exactly what the deal is. GitHub, Stephen Blum / YouTube app. Go to settings, go to actions. Where's that around here? Actions. You had it on general. Allow all actions. Yep. We're good. Require approval for first-time contributors. Require approval for... This is what you're thinking right here, right? Required approval for first. And then did you change it? Wait, not that. This. Okay, required approval for first time. All right. So is that what you're saying? We want that. One sec. Required approval for first-time contributors who are new to GitHub. Only users who are both new on GitHub and who have ever had a commit or pull request merged into this repository will require approval to run. Require approval for first-time contributors. Okay. Okay, so this is what you're saying? Right here? Read and write permissions. Workflows with read permissions in the repository for contents and packages scopes only. Workflows for read and write permissions in the repository for all scopes. Okay. Oop, whoa. Here, let's do the other one. All right. Okay. All right. That's just, if there's any more that we have to do, we'll have to wait. We'll wait for another day. We'll wait for another day. We'll keep that for now, though. All right. All right, we're good to go. And the bottom one, yep, we did both. Let's see, we did the bottom one and the middle one. Yep, we did both. They're good to go. Which programming language are you recommending me to learn to do data structures? The last one, yes. Allow GitHub Actions to create and approve pull requests. Okay. There you go. All right. Done. My recommendations for data structures and algorithms, it's going to be C. If you really want to learn the structure, C is going to be great because it's the closest you can get to the machine code without going into assembly and devolving into assembly, right? So that's a really good option. C is great. It's going to require you to understand the memory structure, system calls, and sort of how to structure data so it can be performed quickly, to have really fast lookups. And that's kind of like the idea of what data structures are, is to have an efficient program. That's what it is. That's what that is. My authentication app is so secure, even I can't log in, obviously. That's a secure application there. All right, so we've got a little bit of time left here. Let's keep going. All right, I want to get our upload working here. So let's do our system utils. We're gonna do this over here. All right, so where's our file at? Our file, our upload, okay. Print file, we'll upload the file. Or maybe we could say save the file. Save video. I'll just keep it as upload, whatever. Okay. And then I want to say, what is it called? sysutil.save object file, something like that. Let's go back to this over here. All right, copy object file, open file path. Okay, file path. Do we need this as well? We do, maybe? No. With open, okay. File. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this will be a file path. All right. Upload directory. Okay. What is this? Upload dir.make dir. Okay. Oh, it's a path. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's grab this. Here we go. Paste that in. Okay. Looking good, looking good. And then I want, let's see here. Let's get rid of this. Okay. With, let's see, upload directory, upload directory. Directory, there we go. It's going to be our data /videos. I'm going to make sure that this directory already exists. ls data. Or we get video, mv. I'd rather it be videos. All right, so let's go data videos. There we go. Hey, Minecraft, how's it going there? Minecraft, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. What are you making? We're making a quick little YouTube app here. Let's see, undo that. We are building a YouTube app, basically. It's like a video streaming app. Good night, sir. It's 11 p.m. All right. Enjoy Hidden Sound. Thank you for hanging out. What time do you go live daily? So 8:30 a.m. PDT. Usually around that time, every single day. Check general. Hey, quick fix. If it's any more, did you get it to work? Oh, whoa, you got it to work. Hey, all right. Good job. Oh, hey, quick fix. Nice. You did it. Very nice. I want to take a look at that real quick. Let's see if that works here. I'm clicking this. Yep, okay, here we go. Okay, YouTube app. Pull requests. Closed. Nice. Test action. Hey, take a look at that. Automatic merge. Nice. All right. The most insecure thing you could possibly... It's so insecure. Auto merge. That's going to be a problem in the future, probably. Okay. Good enough for now, though. Okay, so let's keep going here. I want to get the... this is the one thing that we have to take care of today is this upload file thing. This is the only one thing. And then we'll do the serving of the file tomorrow. We'll do the serving of the file tomorrow. So do upload today. Go to upload directory. It's going to be a path. Like that. We'll say the present working directory path. You know what? Let's do it like this. All right, so we get our path. Where is this at over here? Looking. Where is our stuff at here? Nope. Close this, close that. Where's our stuff at here? Don't care about this here. Maybe this one? No. Ooh, file content. Wait to read. Ooh, I like that. Let's read this real quick. Well, I like this idea. This looks a lot. Well, then we have to load it all into memory though. Read it asynchronously. No. We don't want to do that. That would be bad. That would be very bad. That would be very, very bad. Where is it at here? Where did our page go? All right. What do we call this? SHUtil. Where SHU. Okay. Let me see if I can find that again here. SHU till. Nope. Okay. SHU till. Nope. SHU. Here we go. All right. Now we got it. All right. Excellent. Here we go. Data path, file name. Okay. No. Wait, this is not good. This is not good. Right buffer. I suppose we could do this as well. But I'd rather do the copy approach. Here, let's do this. Let's go back over here. Where is our... Thank you, please. Yes. Oh, where was it? Where was this? All right. We're going to do this differently. All right, so there's copy file. Let's do that. Fast API. How's it going there, Moon? Welcome on in. Good to see ya. Hey, it's Cool Guy Coder. Thank you. I find it once in a year. All right. Moon, good to have you here. Happy Saturday. The scariest Python command, pip install, because something about to break. Obvious, yeah. Look at link share. I need to do this real quick here. Let me see here. Here we go. Yes, this is what I was looking for. All right. Don't lose this page. Here, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy the whole thing so I can't lose it. This will be a reference. PB paste, reference.py. All right. Now we're good. Okay. Let's check Discord real quick. You said link share? Wait. All right. Okay. What motivates you? Hey, Obvious. Good question. Hey, Bug Lover. Yo, how's it going? Thank you for chatting over there on Twitch. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. What motivates me? Technology in general is really exciting. What really motivates me is AI. I want to learn more AI algorithms. So we've done a transformer. We've done a convolutional neural network. We've done a whole bunch of other things. And I want to do more of that. And I want to do it in Rust. And I want to try the Candle library. It's just really exciting. Hey, Derek, welcome back. Thanks for hearts, you guys. Thank you for the hearts. Walker the Coder. Hey, all right. You love AI too. Good to hear it.
We were too lazy to pick up food, so we built a dancing food locker. Every day at noon, many of our team order food delivery, but the food can only be put on the ground. So I put a small cart by the door. But when lunchtime comes, finding your food is very hard. And if it rains, everyone has to eat cold food. We didn't have this problem in our old office because there was a delivery locker. So it's time to build something.
Okay. This is a long short. I'm going to skip ahead. I can skip it. Perfect. Okay. All right. So we're building a locker. I'm going to skip way ahead.
If the writer cannot find the place.
Food delivery. Where is the delivery locker?
Hold on a second.
Okay. It's really obvious now where the delivery is.
We put a 2-man on the roof. You can use the app.
Yo, Joel, thank you very much for the 25. Appreciate you. Thank you. Oh, my gratitudes to you. Thank you very much. Hey, Joel.
Want to take a break.
Thank you.
From the locker.
Oh, thank you, Joel.
Chair. If they press it, unlock it. Put on a show.
Does it? Oh, it opens everything. Okay. Do they really? Are these really LEDs? Like real LED doors? That would be expensive, by the way. That would be really expensive. That was satisfying. Whoa, it's real LEDs? Wow. Okay, that was sad. Wait, I forgot to press the like button. Hold on.
We were too lazy.
Here, let me click the like button. There we go. All right. Yo, hey, how's it going there? Jobson, well, thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building a YouTube app. We're going to do video hosting, and that's it. We're going to keep it simple. So those are not dollars. I'm a hidden in sound guy. Oh, Joel. Well, I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you for the 25. I think that's still very nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. That is pretty cool. Loons, thank you for the share. All right. That looks expensive. It does look expensive. Yeah. What's the difference between a JSON web token and a session token? So the difference, XFIS, JSON web token is JSON. It's an object, and it's got signatures and it is irrevocable for the most part, right? Unless you store data in a database and you check the token against the database, which is an anti-pattern for web tokens. So a JSON web token is going to be just a bunch of JavaScript, or just a JSON, a bunch of data in a structure, right? You could have a bunch of data. So I don't know, you could have like a name if you want. You could put a name in there, right? You could put whatever you want, like any data, or like permissions, right? You could have like permissions. It could be any format that you want, blah, blah, blah. And they could say like write. You could have write permission, for example. And there's also a header, like with a bunch of dots there. So the dots are going to be information about the signature that you can use to verify that the token is valid, right? You can verify the token is valid. And I believe it is encoded. So I think it's base64 encoded, I think, as well. So it's irrevocable. With a session token, it's just an ID, like it's a bunch of text there. It's a bunch of text. And you use every time the user makes a request to your web server, this session ID is included as a header or a query parameter, probably a header, and it's checked against a database. It could be Redis, it could be a SQL database, and then it validates that you still have permissions. So that's the difference. That's the difference, you guys. You have a series that I'm live right now where viewers use code, my custom command, and it puts in my code. Whoa, no way. That's a good idea. Thanks, you're welcome, Axis. Happy to help. That is very neat. What's a YouTube app? It's just a video streaming app. It's just a video streaming app. That's the idea. Check out the link there. Okay. Okay, there you go. Waiting, starting for a poll. Starting for a poll. Okay. Go, bro. Yeah. Oh, I knew it from your name. Hey, all right. Good to hear it. We could do web streaming with PubNub. There, yes. Yes, we could. We could. All right. Do you like this website? Yes. There we go. Clicking it in. What do I need to start coding? Minecraft. Oh, hey. Also, you guys, thank you all for clicking hi. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. Let's see. What do you need to start coding? You've got everything you need. You got everything you need. Just go to your terminal window, type in Python, then type in 1, 1 plus 1, a equals 1, a plus 2, right? And then b equals 10, a plus b. That's the beginning. At least try that. Try that. Get that started. Why are you watching this? Oh, sorry. You're talking to Malcolm. All right, so let's go back over here. All right, you guys, we have to lock in now. We have to lock in. I would love to be able to get this gun going here. All right, so where's our reference at? Reference here. Okay. All right, so upload directory. We got our video directory there. And then we're going to add in our file name. But our file name is going to be, we need the name of the file. So we got a file name, which would be the video ID. How about we just do video ID? Video ID. It's going to be a string. We're going to get the file. Open our business here under our backend. We're going to open up main, and we're going to go to our upload. We're going to add our video ID here. There we go. So we got our video ID, upload video ID file, and then we need to open our reference again. Then we're going to open up a file with open file. See, we could do this here. Upload directory /file. Well, let's do this. File name equals, so we can see everything a little bit more easily. Like this. There we go. File name as WB buffer. Okay. Well, we could also whatever. We file handle whatever. Doesn't matter. Call it handle. We'll call it handle. Hey, Steven, who are you supporting for FIFA? Oh, for FIFA, for FIFA. For FIFA. Who's the teams left? There's like a couple days left, right? There's 1 day left here. I don't know. I don't know. Hey, how's it going there, Colin? Hey, Colin for the $4.99.
GNG, please make it soon. BC, I want to post. PS, I would be tough if you could rig it so if people gift to you, you can up their chances in the algorithm tongue.
Whoa. Wait, Colin D, what are you describing? Wait, what are you even asking for here? Colin D, thank you, my gratitudes. Hey, all right. Thank you very much. Here, let me say thank you. We gotta do party poppers on that at Colin D. Thank you, party popper. Let's do some party poppers here. There we go. Thank you, Colin Do. All right, so wait, what are you asking for? Gonna go, please make it soon because I want to post. Tough to rig, so people gift you. You can, chances of algorithm. Make the algorithm rigged to people who support you. Okay, all right, we'll do it. We'll rig the algorithm just for you. Yeah, I want to use the clone. All right, nice. We will rig it. We'll rig it, you guys. It's rigged. It's rigged. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you very much. All right, Colin Do, thank you. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. My gratitudes. All right, so we're going to do a systemutil.copy. Do a copy object file. File name. So we need the file name here. Let's see here. Set wrap. All right, we did. Okay, good. All right, so then we got to say what the buffer is. Okay, so our file name here. File name. Do we do that? Really? Oh, no, file. Oh, file. Okay. No. All right. File. And then we say our handle. There we go. Handle. Okay, that should do it. All right, Levin. Hey, how's it going there? Yo, Bug Lover, thank you for following over there on Twitch. Appreciate you. You got the right channel for software engineering. Let's go, you guys. Hey, also Will Walker. Hey, the Walker Coder too. Hey, all right. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Join the right channel for software engineering. We're gonna build all the things we've got. We're gonna build the planet, you guys. We're gonna build it. And we're building it. Yes, we are. We can do a joint. You don't have to do this. You just do /. You don't have to say file path. You just do /. So we're gonna do with file, reads buffer, shuttle copy. All right. And then we could say saved to. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea, yeah. Yippee, yeah. Do you know Python? I do, Bug Lover. I do. Python is my favorite language when it comes to writing simple, quick, easy things. It's also really good for AI. And we did a test. We tried Rust and we tried Python. We both used libtorch library for the AI. Is Rust worth it? We found out that it is a lot of extra effort in the Rust, and you don't get that much of a speed up either, because you're already submitting over FFI all the work to the GPU anyway, using the libc++, right? Libtorch over FFI. It's the same thing either way. So it's the same. Yo, Ashwin, yo, good to see you. All right, let's keep going, you guys. Hey, I was going there. Shro. Hey, bro, you remember me? I'm done with my ADA. Oh, no way. And Mongo Database Lab exam. Yo, did it go well? I bet it did. I bet you did a good job. I bet you did good. Hey there, I was wondering what added chatting with user options on YouTube app. Do you remember YouTube? Used to have feature like that. I don't know why Google removed it, the old chatting feature. Oh, I don't know either. I actually don't know coding languages. Well, you know what, Bug Lover? Python is a good start. Good start. I think it's a good starting language if you want. If you're ready, you can make it happen. You can make it happen. So you're telling me that Python is better than Rust to implement AI? So Rust was a little bit faster. It was. And when you're at big scale, you probably want Rust. Also, C++ is another pretty common standard, right? Especially if you're going to be using something like libtorch, so you don't have to run through FFI. So C++ is going to be the fastest if you're going to be using libtorch. Now, I'm looking at something called Candle, and Candle plus Rust, I think, is going to be a really good option. So I'm excited about that. My live coding thing is in Python. Oh, Walker Coder, nice! Good to hear it. Good to hear it, yeah. That's actually a really cool way to do it. Very nice. Hey, I was going there. Shiro, you got yelled at by your faculty missing a data type on the second line of your code. And then I copied a code from an online and did some copy paste. That's the way I do it too. I do copy paste as well. A little bit copy there. Hey, Meso. Hey, Steven. You might need an editor to clean up your live and make it into a playlist of courses. Oh, I think so. I think I might be getting to that point. We might be getting there. Meso. You're right. Well, where would I learn Python? Oh, the best place to learn Python as my favorite is W3 Schools. All right, so let's go back into this W3 Schools over here. Grab it and see here. Go to W3 Schools. You can also go to python.org. W3 Schools Python. And it's got a really great intro, right? Print hello world, try it yourself. And there's an online, you can run it online, right? So this is a really good option, right? You could say, hello bug lover, exclamation point, right? Run, and it will give you the output, hello bug lover, right there. Right there. So that's my recommendation. I think it's easy. I think it's the easiest option. PyTorch, libtorch, candle. I feel like they're related. Yeah, it is. They're all ways to submit work to an accelerator, like a GPU or a TPU, right? For AI. Python 101 done. All right, user ID. There you go. Python 101. All right. So let's keep going, you guys. This is really important. I would love to see if we can get this working. I think we finished it. I think we get everything. So all we have to do is say upload now. I think. And then we should also, let's see here, return. We'll say file name, file name, and then path, file path. Where is that at here? File path. Oh, right. Okay. So that's file name, which is the path. And then we could also do file.filename. Okay. So we could do both. File name and file name. Wait, file.filename. Name. Okay. Let me double check. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Let's see if this looks good. All right. So we've got our shuttle copy file object. We got our handler, and we're returning the file name as well. There we go. File name. Perfect. Looks good to me. All right. Let's make sure our main file looks good as well. Main, and then we're going to go upload. Here we go. Let's write PyTorch from scratch. Ooh, that's an idea. We're going to do that. We will. That is an idea. Cardinal Erdem, we will do it. How do you show your real-time closed captions on live stream? All right, good question. So this is some code that I wrote 8 years ago, you guys. This is an 8-year-old program that I'm finally using live on stream. Take a look. Yep. It's available on our Discord if you want, under link share. Right here. There you go. Some link share right there. Oh, 8 years ago. Crazy. Yeah, I know. I finally get to use it. I'm really excited about that. So it's open source. It's completely free. You can use it forever. Free forever. Nice. Yeah, thank you. It's easy to set up. Just copy and paste a few things and you're good to go. Easy. It's one of the easiest things to install. Awesome. Nice. If you have any trouble, let me know on Discord. I'll help you debug it. I'll help you get it set up. Okay, so let's try the upload command, yeah? So this part right here. So I'm going to hide this just for a smidge. We should also say name and, let's see, original name. Original and new equals new name. All right, so that's what that is right there. W3 Schools, there we go. All right, we had to pass the video ID. All right, so one thing I missed was the video ID. Instead of using this, we need to do video ID here. Video ID. And then, let's see here. Let's do an F string like that. And then we'll say .mp4, right? .mp4. There we go. Okay. I want it to be like that. I think that's better. So that's the file name based on the video ID. And then we open up the file name for reading and writing. And then we pass in the... Do we do this though? Is that really what we want to do there? Is that really what we want to do? Okay. File.file. See, I thought so. Okay. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let's try running our test now. Let's see if that worked. Test P. Here we go. Test. Server error. Okay. Where did we get that wrong? Let's go to our main file again. Figure this out. Here we go. Let's hide that. Run. Okay, good. Okay. So let's see here. We will get this over here. Maybe this doesn't exist. That's one of the things that might be the thing. So that might be the problem. Let's double check. Let's double check. File name. No, that's fine. That looks good to me. Okay. So somewhere in here is the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say return 1, 2 for now. It looks good. All right. What if we did this? So the problem is probably inside this code here. This might be where the problem is. Test error. Okay. What did it say? No such file or directory. Yeah, exactly. Because we're creating a new one. That's exactly the reason why. Right there. We're going to be building. There is no file there. We're making a new one. We're making a brand new file. So why is that a problem? Let's see here. Open file name, read binary as handle. No such file or directory. Data videos. Yeah, I know. ls data videos. The directory exists. The file name will not, because it's not going to be a file name there. It's just not going to be. Okay. So all we have to do is fix this here. And what is the problem? Let me see here. File to file. It's the actual file. Okay. That will be the handle. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. Let's double check this. Let's read the reference a little bit more. Okay. File. File is the upload file. Yep. Then we got our path. Looks good to me. And then file path. That also worked. So this part seems to be the thing that's failing right here. Why is that so easy? Can we build hundreds of YouTubes? Yes. Yes, you can. Yeah. Oh, Otosui, what are you thinking? Okay. Let's see here. I want this. So we need to figure out why that's failing. Let's go vim to our main. No, not our main. We want the videos. Here we go. Okay. So let's hide that. See if that's caused the problem. Oh, got it. Okay. Here, we have to relaunch it. There we go. Okay. It's not, do we do pass? How about that? There we go. Okay. Test. Okay. So it keeps failing on a file that doesn't exist. So let's see if we can get a little bit of help here. Google Python. Okay. And we're going to say AI mode. And then we will grab this. This doesn't make any sense to me. I don't see why that wouldn't work. Oh, hey, Injust90, how's it going? Thank you for chatting over there. The issue would be that the server cost, as far as I know, YouTube is not profitable. YouTube are they not profitable? Are they not? Yo, does that mean like, let's see. Let's find out. Wait, Injust. I thought YouTube was profitable. I thought they were. YouTube is profitable or not? Question mark. I think, yes, YouTube is highly profitable business, generating $60 billion in revenue. I think that sounds like a good idea. Let's get some $60 billion of revenue, you guys. Let's do that. Does that sound like a good idea? I think that sounds like a good idea. My mistake. No, Injust, you know what? It's actually a really good idea to just get ideas out there, right? Because no one really thinks about that often. And so you brought up the topic. And I think that's really important. I think it's really important. All right. So what was, here we go. Okay. Yeah. File name, directory name, make dirers, exist. Okay. True. Yep. Open file as handle. Your download. Yeah. This is already what I did. File name. File name is this. Yeah. That's what I have right there. I have that. That is what I have. Also, how did it know? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. No such file or directory. Of course, file not found. It doesn't exist because we're going to make it. We're going to be making it. Print file name. You know what would be nice is also if we just return that. Let's just do that real quick. You were saying, how did you know what? I forgot. How did you know? I forgot. How did I know? This part right here. That's right. So the name of the file, which is a UUID. And I'm like, wait, how did it know exactly? Because I pasted it in right here. That's how it knows. Right there. Bro, what are you building? Hey, how's it going there? Gamer Zaki. Hey, Gamer Zaki. Welcome on in. We're building YouTube. Quick little YouTube app. Basically, a video streaming app is all we're doing. We're doing the server side first. Let's go to our main. Was it main? Yeah, we got to go to main here. All right, so let's grab our names, and then I'd love to return the original name. Okay. We'll say original. And then we're going to paste in our new name. New. Let's call this file name. Name. No, call name. New name. Okay. Original and new. Let's run the test now. Okay. Let's see here. Reload that. Syntax error. Oh, whoops. Okay. We don't need this anymore. Okay. And let's run the test. Server error. Because of this, we can fix that real quick. Let's just test this out. All right. I wanted to see that everything looks good. Hey, how's it going there? Yo, what is this? We are building a YouTube streaming app. That's what we're doing today. We're doing YouTube streaming. A simple app. We're just doing the server side. We're doing the upload of the video first. And we are just ratcheting on a little bit of challenge here. This part right here is failing, and we're going to figure out what we can do about it. ID, title, description, original file. Oh, wait. That's not the original. Video.mp. Oh, wait. I got these wrong. Oh, I got them backward. Okay, I got them backward. Do I? Oh, wait. Hold the phone. Wait. We did something weird. This doesn't make sense. Hold on. You're learning HTML and CSS right now. Hey, all right. Good to hear it. I like me HTML and CSS. I do. That's one of the things that I really like to do. I love the front end. I do. Would you always recommend doing the back end first before the front end? Yes. API first. Always Aiden James, API first. All right. So this might be why the problem is this. Or directory, video ID.mp4. The file name here should be that's why. I do have it wrong. I have it backward. Okay. So this is not the original name. This is the new name. These are backwards. There we go. Okay. Now we've got a better. There we go. Okay. The original is video.mp4. The new file is data. All right. So that part looks good. Git status, git commit. Dash message. Let's see here. You're doing a Spring Boot. Oh! What are you building? Oh, hey, how's it going there? Kizai. We are building a YouTube app. I'll show you here real quick. YouTube app right here. I'll go to Steven. Yep. Building YouTube. Basically a video streaming app. Will you store your videos? Where will you store videos UUID? The database. We've got a database over here. So you can see the database right here. Right there. You can see it. All the UUIDs. Monotonically increasing UUID 7. And along with the metadata as well. What should I aim at next? JavaScript. Yes, JavaScript is a good next step when you're doing web app development. Are you transcribing videos into HLS- for adaptive streaming? Ooh, there you go. Yes. So I have ffmpeg. So I have ffmpeg here. Got it. Right there. ffmpeg. Ready to go. Amazing. You're using Tech Stack. Oh, wait. Yo, hey, Aiden James. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Happy Saturday. We do a lot of programming on this channel. All coding by hand, you guys. That's the plan. What tech stack are... Wait. Amazing. What are you using? Tech stack. Yes. Okay. Let's grab this tech stack here. I've got it. We've got the answer. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing again. So our tech stack is Where is it? We're doing this. Python, Fast API, UV-corn with PostgreSQL, like that. SQL, PostgreSQL, and that's it. I think that's it. That's the backend. Hey, Keza, thank you for subscribing. All right. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Thank you for joining in. Okay. So let's commit this here real quick. So we have video almost working. We just need to fix the file save. We're almost done. We're almost done. Love seeing the code without using ChatGPT. Yeah, there we go. Linux better overall for focusing on coding, but yes, I would say Linux definitely better. Linux with a heart. Let's see here, heart icon. There we go. I like Linux. I'm also, oh wait, I gotta go. Git pull. Let's do a quick git pull here real quick. Okay. Please specify which branch you want to merge. Did we already do this? There's no tracking. Oh, there's the branches. Got it. Okay. There's no tracking information. Please specify origin main. Or git pull origin main. Okay, so we got to rebase. All right, 1 second. We can do this. Rebase true. Okay, do it again. There we go. There we go. Mint. Ooh, Mint is a good one. I like Mint. I also like XFCE. I like that one. Bro, what's up? Hey, Arca. Good to see you. Arca Speaks. Welcome on in. Happy Saturday. We're building YouTube, you guys. We're doing the video upload part of it right now. So that's our stack right there. All right, so we just got our GitHub all up to date. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh, over. Okay, right. Okay. Do we want to? Yeah, I think so. I think that's fine. I think it's fine. Okay. All right, here we go. And then, oh, happy Saturday, buddy. Thank you. Okay. All right. Appreciate you guys being here. So what we need to do is we need to fix this code right here. This code part right here on the screen, this part over here is broken. That's the broken part. And it's not broken for any good reason. There's no good reason that this is broken. It doesn't make any sense. So we got to figure out why that's broken there. Test. Let's see. Is that good? Yes, thank goodness. All right, thank goodness. Okay. .forward test. Good, looks good. Okay. So if we actually are to pull this out here. There we go. Which one you personally use? What do you mean? For me, I like XFCE. XFCE. This is a Linux distro. So Google XFCE Linux distro. Here we go. A lightweight, highly customizable desktop environment for Linux. It's ideal on older hardware because it's so fast. It's snappy. It can turn any laptop into a brand new laptop. Let's see. Oh, Cardinal. 1 second. 1 second, Cardinal. Let me see here real quick. Okay. What do you say, Cardinal? Do Vim have an attribute of showing library functions like torch in, then tab? Autocomplete. Yes, you can do autocomplete. Autocomplete / IntelliSense. Yes, that exists. You could do that. I don't. I have somewhat of an autocomplete, right? So you could say, right? You could do this. So that kind of counts, right? A little bit of autocomplete there. You could do that. Up, down. See next, right? So that works. Okay. Yeah, like that. There we go. So see, this is where the error happens. And it doesn't make any sense to me. It does not make any sense. Here, let's close this and print that out. All right, no such file or directory. Data, videos. All right, so let's try this. Let's see if we can actually do this. ls. Oh wait, maybe it's because I need to see present working directory. See, that's fine. Wait. Right, okay. So what if we do PWD? Let's do PWD. There we go. All right, try it now. Same error. Same error. All right. I have a high-end PC and I have never used Linux. Oh, well, if you've got a good PC, you can handle Windows, you're good to go. You're good to go. You just use Ubuntu like a pleb. Oh, I like Ubuntu. Ubuntu is like the easy option. And it works really well. It's performant. It's got all the things you need. It's got like a web app store. You've been challenging yourself not to use autocomplete in your Vim. Ah, nice. You could try to memorize stuff. Me too. That's the way I like to do it too. It's not going well. It's not going. Yeah, I always struggle. I struggle too. So it was XFCE is best for anyone who wants the fastest desktop. Fastest desktop. The fastest. I mean, there's probably something better that you could get into as well. I'm not sure. I'm not fully sure which one's the best. Okay, so I need to figure out why this is failing. Why is this failing? Why is this failing here? All right, let's grab this. Let's grab some help from the internet really quick. Now here we go. All right, let's go Gemini, grab. Okay, and then we got a file not found error. Here we go. Copy and paste that. And then I want this. There we go. Let's see. Because this is a generic error. It's very generic. How do we do this? Parents. Okay, so we've got the path. File path parent. Create the parent folders if they don't exist. They already do exist though. See. Directories already exist. If the directory definitely exists, then it's usually points to one of the 3 sneaky issues on how to find a file path, okay? Yo, wait, what just happened? Oh, hey, Seuss for the gold coin. All right, thank you. Hey, Kyle, good to see you. Oh, welcome on in. Happy Saturday. Gold coin, hey, Seuss, thank you. My gratitudes to you. Appreciate it. All right, so what do we got? Why is our business not doing what we want? We need the absolute path, maybe. Okay, so this is what we need. We need the absolute path. I think we could do that. OS, the absolute path. Can we do that? Path file.parent. Absolute path script dir. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. All right. This might be the trick here. All right, scripter. All right, so PWD. There we go. Yo, thank you for the flower. You appreciate it. Oh, my gratitude. Hey, thank you very much for the flower. You're so nice to me, you guys. Thank you so much. Mr. Blum. Oh, thank you. You appreciate it. Mr. Blum, I forgot to tell you. What'd you forget, Cardinal? Bought a MIDI keyboard. You're a music producer now. All right. Good to hear it. Excellent. That's exciting. Very nice. Hey, local admin. Yeah, dynamic load the parent as the directory. Yeah, that's got to be it. We need the present working directory, the PWD. That's what we got to do. PWD, you guys. A little bit of PWD there. All right. All right. Thank you so much for the party poppers. All right. Thanks for the feedback on your white paper. Absolutely. Hoping it wasn't that busy work. It was good. It was a good white paper. I liked it because it really walked you through like the existing world and then the new world. That's the key. Like the old way and the new way. You did it. You did it. Very nice. Okay. So we're going to get our PWD. PWD /upload directory /video ID. Let's try that. Yo, you. Whoa, for the butterfly. Hey, look at that. Well, it's fancy. You did the butterfly there. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. My gratitude to you. Wow. At you. Let's see. YU. There we go. Thank you. Exclamation point party poppers. And grab this over here. Paste. Thank you very much. You. All right. Well, this is great. It's like, this is a lot of fun. It's like we're coding and then you're like, here's some money. Like, oh, thank you. Hey, how's it going there? Kazi. So this function is for uploading videos. Yes, we're doing a quick little easy upload video function here. So file references a dunder under value that is the current name of the file, right? And so it's called the backend video right there, right? The current, and then we also grab the parent, which is going to be the directory name. So the file and then just the parent, which is the directory name. So that's the present working directory. And then we do, oh, wait. Oh, I see why. Okay. The reason why the directory doesn't exist is because it's accessing the local script's present working directory, which is not in the data path. So that's why. Okay. Okay. Your setup's now so good. Oh, Danafix, nice. With all the keyboard in your terminal. Hey, there you go. You did it. It's rare to see someone code without help of Claude nowadays. Right? I know we're all reliant on the AI to write the code for us, aren't we? Yeah, we are. We're all reliant on it. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, so I figured out what the problem was. Our directory is incorrect. Our directory is incorrect. We need to be able to grab it from the data directory, and we need to see here a little bit differently on this matter here. So let's see if we got the right directories. Let's do the full working directory. Here we go. All right, so user, Steven, desktop, app, backend data. See, that's the problem right there. That's the problem right there. That's the problem. Yep, vibe coding is junk. It is, isn't it? Well, I mean, it's okay. Here's the deal. Check this out. All right, so you probably already know vibe coding doesn't produce the best quality code. That's okay, though, because 99% of the world's code doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be extremely performant. It needs to be good enough, right? So the majority of code on the planet can just be generated. It's okay. It is. I know. It's the new way. Yeah, sometimes I really want to... You really weigh too much on it. You rely on it too much. Yes. I rely on it a lot too. For a lot of the coding I do, not on stream, off stream. I do it off stream. A lot of coding off stream. All right. So the goal for today is we want to get this video file uploaded. That's what we want. We want to get this file uploaded, and we can do it. We can do it. Can we go .parent like that? Can we do parent.parent? Is that something that we can do? See if that works. Try it one more time. There it is. Okay. Excellent. User Steven desktop, YouTube app, data videos. Perfect. Now we can make it work. Now we can make it work, you guys. All this weird stuff that we had to do. Okay. We should be able to print this. Good to go. Look at that. We did it. Oh, we guys. Oh, this is so exciting. Here we go. Here we go. The moment of truth. Moment of truth. Boom. All right. LS data videos. There it is. All right. We did it. Wait. Let's do LS-LSRTAH. Look at that. Look at that. How big's the file? Is it big? Is it big enough? Let me see here. Let's do this. Let's do this in a different window. All right, LS-LSRTAH data videos, so we can see it. 11 megabytes. There it is, right there, right there. That's it. Boom, boom. We got it. We got our video uploads. Check it out. Okay, now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. We did it, you guys. The stream is so calming. Well, I'm glad you find it calming in a positive way. Let's go. We did it. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. Get status, get add. Oh, wait, we need to exclude the data. We got to exclude the data directory. All right, we got to do that. We got to make sure to exclude the data directory in a way that's in a certain way, right? So how do we want to do that? Anything, maybe what we could do is ls data. We could say by dot get ignore. All right, let's go data. Like that. Status, get add, get commit, AM. There we go. All right. Video upload complete. We did it. That deserves a party popper if I'm saying so myself. And then we push to our main branch. Boom. Good to go. Push to main straight away. So when you see the UI, that's actually tomorrow's plan. That's the plan for tomorrow, you guys. UI tomorrow. We'll do UI tomorrow. All right. So we achieved our objective. We did what we wanted to do for today. Let's see here. Let's go back to Steven. We did our Saturday objective. We're going to give ourselves a check mark. We did it. We did self-hosting of files and the binary of the video. We could go a step further and do pubnub file hosting. We could do that as well. That is also a pretty straightforward option. We could do that too. I like that option. And then, so Sunday, which is tomorrow, let's see here. So Sunday, we'll do the video view. We'll do the video view. That's what we're gonna do. Video view tomorrow. Let's see if we can make it work. I think we might be able to. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining today. We're headed on out. Had a great day. We were successful. We achieved our objective. We'll be back tomorrow. Yo, hey, with the eagle. Hey, appreciate it. Oh, wow, you. Thank you so much. Wow, this is great. My gratitudes to you. Thank you very much. What are you building? We are building a YouTube video app, basically. Just a simple one. Real straightforward. Can you explain your setup? Do you use Windows for making notes on Markdown? I use Ghosty, Tmux, and Vim. Ghosty, Tmux, and Vim on Mac OS. There we go. All right. All right. Have a good rest of your day, too. You guys, too. Thank you so much. Just missed it. Next time, love your stream. Oh, thank you so much. AGB, appreciate it. All right, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you again, you, for the donation. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. We'll be back tomorrow, 8:30, and we will continue with building our app. Good night. All right. How are you preventing duplicate video uploads or copyright content? Well, duplicate videos by doing, oh, right. If someone uploads the same video twice, we haven't. We just didn't do it. We haven't done it. Or copyrighted content. We haven't done that either. We don't have anything set up for that. We could use AI to do it. We could. All right. Thank you, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye.